ये पर्पस वगैरह थोड़ा सा ना मिसरीडिंग है कि जाओ भाई किसी को घुमाने जाओ तुम पर्पस ढूंढ के आओ, वो बेचारा पर्पस ही ढूंढता रहता है.
We're always searching for a way to happiness, but actually happiness is the way.
That's why I feel people don't want happiness. No, genuinely नहीं चाहिए. पता है Amazon पे one of the top selling things for safety is what? Yes.
Stop killing.
Fake seat belt जो सिर्फ उसाने से देखिए अपना कि selfish is a good word. What's the problem? So thank you everyone for joining. Like I said, we did 3 round tables today. But when everybody asked me why we were doing Khush Raho Bus, I was like, this is just a passion project. Or I don't even want to call it a name. Like passion project also means that ये वैसा passion है नहीं, कुछ नहीं है ये. I don't know if I'm forgetting. Javed Akhtar said, or I don't know where I heard it. But I've realized I'm going to be 50 years old and enough time on the planet to be able to understand that आपने कभी भी किसी चीज़ को अगर नाम दे दिया ना, तो उसको फिर उसके साथ कि आपकी और दुनिया की जजमेंट शुरू हो जाती है. इसका तो ये मतलब होना चाहिए था, ये तो ऐसे इस नाम के ऐसे लोग तो ऐसा कर रहे होंगे. Anything, you give a concept to anything, it becomes immediately leads to comparison. Anyways, मुझे लगता है पर्पस वगैरह थोड़ा सा ना मिसरीडिंग है कि जाओ भाई किसी को घुमाने जाओ तुम पर्पस ढूंढ के आओ, वो बेचारा पर्पस ही ढूंढता रहता है. आप कोई भी चीज़ अगर करो उस पर बाद में नाम काम और दाम मेरे हिसाब से हर इंसान को चाहिए होते हैं. When you get name in any industry because you're looking for some validation या आपको काम चाहिए कि be gainfully employed so you feel validated. Should we find purpose first? क्योंकि उसमें तो लोग सालों ढूंढे जा रहे हैं कि अब अच्छा नाउ लॉट ऑफ यंगस्टर्स आर गोइंग आफ्टर कूल पर्पसेस. कौन सा कूल वाला पर्पस है वो ले लेता हूँ मैं. So what is your take on, and you know what, this conversation and tea coffee is coming, anybody wants to go to the restroom whatever, we won't stop, we just keep rolling, and it doesn't have to be a Q&A with me, we're just having a conversation. Anybody, it can go anyway. So we'll start with this whole thing. I'll just spark a conversation and we'll take it from there. So do you think purpose is important या अपने आप मिल जाता है या ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है?
I was just saying that I actually have a take on this in the sense that for the longest time, I used to be very confused. You know, purpose seemed like such a bhari word. It seemed like purpose जहाँ बोल दिया वहाँ मतलब you're listening to these sad songs, ये दुनिया में क्या ही रखा है, existential crisis. You know, you relate purpose to that. And then I think a few years ago, I realized कि purpose is actually, for me, it's nothing more than, so I believe in this one thing कि this higher source, universe, has a way of talking to us, right? And the only language that it speaks to us is through our feelings. And as long as we are just looking at our feelings and our feelings give us the green signal or the red signal, and we actually do what we feel like doing through our feelings and not we think we should do logically, I think that'll eventually take you to your purpose, because purpose is what? It's that sweet spot where you feel like um I'm making a difference, I'm making an impact, and I'm feeling happy while doing that, right? It feels like that. So for me, that's what it's got simple.
But अगर पर्पस नहीं मिला फिर भी चलेगा लाइफ, फिर भी उसको सक्सेसफुल बोल सकते हैं.
As in?
मतलब लाइक यू सेड ना, अगर ऐसे ऐसे करो तो पर्पस मिल जाएगा, दिल की आवाज़ सुनो मोर.
हाँ,
बट अगर मैं सुनता गया और मुझे फिर भी पर्पस नहीं मिला, इज इट स्टिल ओके?
But see, that's what it's a label, na? So maybe some people are actually living their purpose without labeling it as
Right,
purpose. So
right.
as long as that feeling tells them that, you know what, I actually enjoy being here. I actually enjoy doing what I'm doing, and I enjoy giving back and for instance, a little bit of a lot lady for them.
Right.
But like if they feel behind it, that's it.
Right.
It doesn't have to be like labeled as a purpose.
Right.
That's
आपका इम्पैक्ट स्कोर क्या था, इतना स्कोर क्या था, ओ अब वो पर्पस के ऊपर हमने पैरामीटर्स बना दिए एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. रेटिंग करो, हाँ हाँ, इम्पैक्ट तो कम रह गया.
Adding to this whole perspective, we keep talking about purpose and how it defines where we move in our lives. At the end of the day, if we ask people, okay, what do you want from life? There are only two words that come out: happiness and success. Everyone says the same thing all over again. And one thing that I've realized time and again, seeing people, coaching people, is that people always say that I want a way to happiness. But overall, if you look at it, happiness is the way. We're always searching for a way to happiness, but actually, happiness is the way. And when you do something happily, even if it's grunt work, it just comes out beautiful.
That's why I feel people don't want happiness. No, genuinely नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. ये ना ये थोड़ा सा रोना, थोड़ा सा ये करना, इसी में यही चाहिए. इसी में मजे करके लोग निकल रहे हैं, क्योंकि हैप्पीनेस में इसका मतलब मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा. आपने तो हैप्पीनेस के लिए भी मुझे जर्नी बता दी. आई हैव टू चूज. नो 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 नो, आई वांट टू बी अनहैप्पी. This is what my take is when I meet people. I'm like, no, we don't want to be happy. We say we want to be successful. We don't want to be happy.
I believe happiness doesn't have a definition to it because everybody has a different definition to happiness. At one point of time, we might feel that we've reached that level. Then there is something else that comes up. You will never be happy, I feel, because your happiness parameter changes all the time. So there is no fixed parameter for one person itself. Baki, let alone other people. Apne aap mein bhi, if we look at, I might want something in my life and I say to myself, okay, when I'll have that, I'll be happy. What after that? I reach there, what after that?
नहीं, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन आई रीच देयर, तो जो मुझे लगा था दुनिया की वैलिडेशन नहीं मिल रही, वो नहीं मिल रही। अगर वो उस स्टेज पे मिल जाती तो मैं हैप्पी हो जाता। शायद ऐसा भी होता है।
Absolutely.
बिकॉज़ मेरी हैप्पीनेस तो दूसरों के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है ना। मैं पहुँच गया, बट आप लोगों ने बोला कि नहीं, माय फ्रेंड इज समवेयर एल्स। अच्छा, तो मेरे को आपने देखा ही नहीं, सो आई एम अगेन चेजिंग दैट वैलिडेशन।
Definitely. We kind of look at people like that. In fact, how we see ourselves is how people are seeing us. We don't look at ourselves in the mirror when we want to achieve something. We don't see the parameter like, okay, this is my take on my life. This is what I want in my life. What other people are expecting out of me. That's what we kind of chase after all the time.
In fact, Maclean, I think, in fact, before I add my perspective, I really like what Ishpreet said, Maclean said, Sagar, of course, I know. What I love the best is what she mentioned, universe speaks to us. When you talked about that purpose, who is defining purpose? Who is defining success? Who is defining happiness?
यूट्यूब पे जो सबसे ज़्यादा फॉलोअर, मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स है, वो बताते हैं तो मैं करता हूँ ना।
और वो जो खुशी होती है वो क्या होती है? देखो, इसको ना गाड़ी मिल गई, बट उस गाड़ी लेने के पीछे उसने जो मेहनत की, आप उसको मत देखो एंड यू फील वही हैप्पीनेस है। एंड इफ यू आर लाइक यू राइटली सेड, अगर मैं कहीं पहुंच गया और मुझे वैलिडेशन नहीं मिला, इफ दैट इज द होल पर्पस, then it's futile, right? The whole idea is, are you happy right now? I'll give you a very simple example. आज I hope you all know, right? ग्रहण है और दशा ऐसी है कि सब कह रहे हैं कि बहुत गंभीर दिन है. So while I was leaving home, my friends, my relatives, they're like, आज के दिन जा रहे हो, ये करना, वो करना. I said, you know what? I'm going for खुश रहो बस. What else do you want? I'm going to interact with people who are believing in that happiness right now, right here. It's within.
गुड, ये टेस्ट था आपका वैसे आज बुलाने का।
Absolutely. I'm like, how will the universe work against me when I believe in that power of universe, which is me? And that's where the happiness lies. हम जा रहे हैं खुश रहने की बात करने, और वहां मैं बैठ के बोलूं, आज नक्षत्र सही नहीं है, आज कुछ गलत हो सकता है। अगर जितेश मेरे सामने बैठे हैं, क्या कहीं वो कुछ गलत?
So since a very long time, I've been working with younger people, and I've realized this whole happiness debate is so skewed. We are chasing happiness, but we're actually chasing pleasures.
Yeah.
If you see honestly, when you look at people, the whole happiness argument is that people post a lot of vacation photographs and videos, and then the other side, people get very sad. There's FOMO. Then there are, like, in a stock market, there are like 1 billion people investing. Out of billion, I mean, 99.9% lose money. One makes money and puts it on social media, and people think, oh, how to become quick rich. Now this whole happiness argument is so skewed because we forgot there's something called inner joy. Now I'll tell you simple things like, say when my dad was there, we used to in the evening go to a nice restaurant, have coffee, and we used to bitch about stuff. That was so much joy. Yeah, I have some childhood friends. And they come over to my place and they complain a lot about people. So I always tell them, I said, you see people as competition. People are comrades. You learn from people. You're not out there to compete with them. So that's why they're very unhappy. Now, what does bring inner joy? When you were talking about purpose, I've realized brings inner joy. Like the moment I was able to reach out to that one young guy, and I was able to fix something within his life. To teach is to learn twice. So while I was teaching him, there's something changed within me. My ego. So you have this very subtle intellectual arrogance. Oh, I know so much. I'm so smart. I'm so spiritual. I know so much more than other people. And when I met that child, he knew far more than me. But something was not right about his life, which I could help. And in the process, I learned so much, brought so much inner joy. So I think we are running after something called happiness, but there's something, a better version of inner joy is there, which we sometimes overlook. So that's why whenever I go and talk about happiness, I say it's so skewed. We're running after pleasures. Like she said, oh, my happiness is I have this bank balance and Avi, I'll be very happy. Now you have that and your next target is, oh, this is not enough. Now inflation, inflation, the property's gone up. I need a few more. Yeah. Or I have a so and so partner and I'll be very happy.
That's how you reach all of this fast.
Yeah. Yeah. You want it faster. So you're ready to do anything to reach the goal faster. Yeah. So exactly. So this instant gratification, how do you judge if a child is going to be successful? If a child can delay gratification, he's going to be very, very successful. So these little markers that you need to check in children, youngsters, and then you teach them about happiness, the real side of happiness, not this whole pop culture happiness that is happening everywhere. It is making us sick. We're in a generation, you're in Vancouver, I'm in Delhi, and we have friends, common friends, 6 degrees of separation. Right. The world has become smaller, and then it's become more lonelier. Far more lonelier.
Yeah.
It really has.
And what we are seeking is validation, which is the worst thing that you can seek. Why do you want validation? I mean, you're terrible with your own parents. You're very popular in your office. Your boss's favorite. What kind of fake lives do we live? Yeah, I may sound cynical, but I'm just telling you hard facts. So that's
There is nothing cynical about what you said. I mean, this is the absolute truth. And because of the whole, I mean, I know if I start this is going to be a big conversation, Avi, but social media it's easy to say it's a problem, but there are so many layers to it.
What Australia has done. 16 ke niche.
For teenagers, they've banned the social media.
It's not even.
But why do we have to wait for the ban? Why do we have to wait for someone
I would just.
to act?
I was
so that
talking to
we-
somebody
so
in the
we are not
hotel.
able to act.
One of the conversations we happened in the morning was there were these hoteliers, and everybody runs 100 hotels each. They were like, so we were calling it the 1,000 Hoteliers Club in the morning. And we were talking about the fact that what is missing is empathy. And we said, अगर हम इसको पॉलिसी बना के बोलेंगे कि जब आप बजट बना रहे हो उसमें से 10% एम्पैथी के लिए रखो, किसी की डेथ हो जाएगी तो इतने पैसे देंगे, पॉलिसी में आ जाएगा, लोग बिना सोचे कर देंगे. बट ये सोचना कि दुनिया बदलेगी और तब जाके बदलेंगे, वो हो नहीं
जब
रहा है.
प्रेशर पड़ता है तभी हो.
हाँ, वो उसको पॉलिसी बना के बिना सोचे हो जाए. जब
Yeah.
I think simple reason is लोग हेलमेट क्यों पहनते हैं? क्योंकि पुलिस दिखता है.
क्योंकि चालान खाता है.
चालान कट जाएगा. हेलमेट लगा नहीं, हेलमेट उसमें लगा है, हैंडल में लगा है. बट पहनेंगे नहीं, पुलिस दिखा तो
जैसी पुलिस ही चालान नहीं कर.
आपको पता है Amazon पे one of the top selling things for safety is what? Guess.
टॉप कलिंग.
Fake seat belt जो सिर्फ उसाने से देखिए फेक सीट बेल्ट जो क्लिक नहीं होती लेकिन सामने से ऊपर पहन सकते हो ताकि पुलिस वाला.
I see people are ready to invest on that but not put the actual seat belt. That's the happiness thing ना. तुम्हें फेक हैप्पीनेस चलेगा कि तुम इंस्टा पे मस्त फिल्टर डाल के फोटो खींच लो.
So authenticity is missing. Yes, authenticity is
What Jitesh said, about the kids these days. So I got a chance to interact with school kids, 10th graders. What funny thing I found? Every child is somewhat feeling left alone, as he rightly mentioned. Leave alone हम लोगों की बात, बड़े लोगों की बात की लाइफ में बहुत टेंशन है. बच्चे जिनको कुछ नहीं करना है, खाना घर में परोस के मिल रहा है, स्कूल का एडमिशन मम्मी पापा करवा दिए, पैसे भर रहे हैं, उन्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ स्कूल जाना आना है. प्लस गैजेट्स भी मिले हुए हैं.
बट वो गैजेट वो नहीं है जो उसके पास है.
Exactly.
जूता वो नहीं है जो उसके पास है.
वो नहीं है. और दूसरा, मेरे फ्रेंड क्या बोलेंगे व्हेन आई आस्क्ड देम इन एन ओपन सेफ एनवायरनमेंट, आई सेड ओके, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू टेल योर टीचर्स राइट नाउ. टेल मी how do you feel when someone is bullying you? Tell me how do you feel when someone is body shaming you? Tell me how do you feel? Everybody feels bad. Then I asked, okay, tell me how many of you are part of it? How many of you do it? Everybody. I said, look at you.
बिकॉज़ मुझे कूल बनना है ना.
You fit in.
हाँ.
Then I said, okay, where are you fitting in? And then everybody looked at each other like, तुझे भी नहीं पसंद, तुझे भी नहीं पसंद, तू क्यों कर रहे हैं? I said, पूछो क्यों कर रहे हो? That's the conversation missing. People are getting bored. आजकल हम 2 साल के बच्चे को पूछो, बोर हो रहा है मम्मी. I don't remember us getting bored. I don't remember when I was getting bored.
that's a mom talking.
Absolutely right. I don't remember ever I felt like I'm sitting at home and I'm saying, आज बोर हो रहा है. कभी नहीं, कुछ नहीं है काम में.
will have any bored because there's so many things that you don't know what to do. Choice इतनी ज्यादा है, पता नहीं चल रहा कि क्या choose.
Adolescent मूवी देखा आपने?
Sorry?
Adolescent movies.
I haven't.
Oh my God. I wanted to, I studied film direction. I wanted to become a movie maker. So I watch A, B, C, D, all kinds of movies just for the story. and it doesn't affect me. I just like how the craft of storytelling. This is one movie that affected me. It affected me so much. 4 दिन पहले मैंने देखी है. It is what you have to see it to be able to know how we have to deal with people. Oh my God. 13-year-old people, and I was bullied. I was overweight. I used to stammer. So I know these bullying, and I wanted to do crazy things to myself and that other person, right? And when this movie came out, I was like, oh my God, nothing has changed. The 13-year-old kids are telling कि उसको different WhatsApp वो groups बना दिए, Discord वगैरह जो भी communities पे, and then everybody is saying कि इसको उस group में डाल के shame करते रहो, और वो shame हो रहा है उसको. What does he do? He wants to fight back, but he's weak, and there are 1,000 people on that group, और उसका नाम है उस group में, so he wants to go and kill that person, and he kills that person as 13-year-old.
And वो bully इसी जो खुद insecure,
Of course,
जो खुद insecure.
of course.
And I relate because I had been overweight all my life. Okay, I mean I still not am perfectly, but then in the past 5 months,
You're fantastic.
no, I. That's a compliment. Take it into account. I have reduced 10 kg. Okay, but trust me, what had happened after I lost weight? Nobody is asking, अरे क्या हुआ या कुछ.
कमजोर लग रही है.
नहीं कमजोर नहीं. उसके पहले whenever I used to talk about work, they would be like, whatever I would talk about the work, they would be like, नहीं ठीक है, काम के बारे में कुछ बात नहीं करनी है, ignore ऐसा. या इतने दिन messages भेजे कोई reply नहीं. Suddenly if they are seeing the change, call करके, hey what did you do? Share the secret now. Hey what did you do? Share the secret. now.
Everybody wants to.
क्या किया? I'm like कुछ नहीं. क्या target है? ऐसे target ही नहीं है. कितना weight lose किया? मैंने बोला I'm not doing anything to lose my weight. I'm doing things to be fitter. Period. Right? And again, I'm finding that happiness in the process. In the process of being, in the process of having that control. And that is my wish. 5 months back, 6 months back, I loved having pani puri every single day. Every other day, if I'm not having sessions, I would be mindful of that because I value my voice. Apart from that, I would love eating pani puris. I would love eating my sweets. Now I love not eating them. And I'm not doing because Ishpreet asked me to. And trust me, I have had such opportunities where some of my participants have the audacity to message me and say, you know, it would be great, Ritvika, if you could lose weight. Lose your post-pregnancy weight. And I'm like, my dear, you don't even know me when I was a child. I had been like this throughout my life. And you really don't know if somebody is going through something. And then people use this. What you said, empathy, right? जो empathy के बारे में आज आप लोगों ने होटल की बात की, I think that's one thing which is missing. And it's so simple. It's inside us. Look at a child. उसको खुश रहने के लिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए रहता है जब भी छोटा रहता है. कुछ हाथ में पकड़ा दो खुश हो गए. ये खुश जो आपने कहा खुश रहो बस. Right? That's absolutely true. What happened as we grow up? अरे तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं है. जितेश को देखो कितना बढ़िया शर्ट पहना है, तुमने नहीं पहना है. इशप्रीत के बाल कितने सुंदर है, तुम्हारे नहीं है.
I'd like to add here, Ritvika. I'd like to add here. What happens is, actually, if you look at it like this, we were born happy. Just remember a baby. What does a baby do? It keeps smiling, laughing all the time. You have to do something to the child to make the child unhappy, or even the absence of milk would make him unhappy. Otherwise, a child will always be happy. But we learn in the process to become unhappy when we start living life. कि टॉय नहीं है, या ये चीज नहीं है, या ये स्कूल नहीं है, या पापा ने ये नहीं किया, मम्मी ने वो नहीं किया. So I think it's so ironical that we are learning to be unhappy in our lives.
And then find happiness.
That's one thing. And second thing what I wanted to add was, you started with the purpose part. कि बिना purpose मिले तो चलेगा क्या? I think ये बड़ा heavy word है. Like all of you mentioned, purpose is very heavy. But I think that if we don't have purpose, if we look at it, purpose को अगर हम purpose हटा के why बोल देते हैं. अगर मुझे हर एक चीज का why नहीं पता होगा, तो शायद मैं करूंगी, लेकिन बहुत टाइम के लिए नहीं कर पाऊंगी बिकॉज मेरा why क्लियर नहीं है. आई एम नॉट सॉलिड ऑन माई why. तो क्योंकि मेरा why नहीं है, तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया गिटार लर्न करना, मुझे नहीं आया, बड़ा मुश्किल था, तो आई लेफ्ट इट. लेकिन अगर मुझे why पता होता, दैट अगर मैं सीखूंगी तो मुझे अंदर से जो म्यूजिक का जो मेरे अंदर कीड़ा है वो सेटिस्फाई होगा. या इफ आई वुड लर्न गिटार, इट विल हेल्प मी deal with my stress, it will help me deal with multiple things. So मेरा why clear है, तो I'll try, I'll give it my best shot because मेरा why clear है, क्योंकि मैंने purpose को नाम दे दिया why. So I think purpose, sages have been living क्या my life का purpose. I know that's a very heavy thing, and we were born कि हमारी life का purpose है to live in this body
and attain God in a meditation. That's a very spiritual and very high level thing, and that is also true. But हर कोई उसको नहीं समझ पाता है, नहीं समझ पाता है, that's perfectly fine. लेकिन हम जो भी करते हैं उसको हम या पर्पस बोले या वाई बोले. आज भी आई हैव कम फ्रॉम दिल्ली. आई लेफ्ट माय फैमिली, माय किड्स. आज मेरे बच्चों का पीटीएम था, रिपोर्ट कार्ड था, फाइनल रिपोर्ट कार्ड था. आई वाज इन देयर. Why? Because I really wanted to meet all of you and do this. When I received a mail, I was like, you know, yeah. So why बहुत clear होना चाहिए. That's one thing. And second, like you were mentioning, process. While I was thinking, coming from for happiness, I was thinking, happiness को हम सोचते हैं as a noun. कि ये एक goal है. It's a noun. It's a thing. कि मिले. It's a verb. How verb? Because it is a process. ये आपको करते रहना है. It's action. Happiness is an action. It's like painting. वो painting है. You can look at it as a noun. कि ये टंगी है. It's looking beautiful. But painting as a verb देखो तो there's so much behind it. The process, the brainstorming, the colors, fixing the canvas, and so many things. वो ज़्यादा मज़ेदार, I think, the verb part. And then now you just look at it and you enjoy it.
कौन सी पेंटिंग है, कितने की है, मेरे दोस्त के बाद इससे बेटर वाली है.
Yeah, so I think verb is much better if you look at happiness as a verb, as an action. That will, I think, give meaning to it.
आपने उसको डिफाइन कर दिया कि कैसे हम अनहैप्पीनेस खोजते हैं.
हाँ, राइट. मेरे को एक चीज लगती है. Sorry, I just wanted to take you and like sometimes I want to give myself permission to fail in every subject. Like for example, अभी हमने बोला ना कि पर्पस को वाई करते हैं तो शायद पर्पस बेटर हो जाएगा. तो उसमें गिटार कर रही है. मैं कहता हूँ मैं फेल होता हूँ गिटार में भी. मैं 2 महीने ही करूँगा. मैं 2 हफ्ते में हर चीज़ टेस्ट करके छोड़ दूंगा और ऐसी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म कर दूंगा. मैं किसी भी चीज़ को पूरा नहीं करूँगा. यार ये कोई चीज़ पूरी नहीं करता, नहीं करते. एक चीज़ में भी एक्सपर्ट नहीं बने. वो भी अलाउड नहीं है क्या? दैट इज माय
What would hate?
राइट.
Because being imperfect is also being perfect.
Right.
Because you make yourself.
Right.
That's
Yeah, sometimes you understand you need money for your family and you're at a certain situation. So a lot of people have to do sort of things which they don't want to do, but वो करना है. वो भी है, दुनिया में आयो करना है. That is another story. But for a lot of people, जब वो problem नहीं है, so what I'm just trying to, one of the things for Kushta Bus is to be able to say, report card में सब में fail हुई. और इसका मतलब मैंने तो अपने आप को, ये तो स्पोर्ट्स में तो अच्छा होगा. नहीं सर, स्पोर्ट्स में गए नहीं, वो तो बंद कर दिया. फिर ये वो सारी चीज़ें गलत. Then also it's accepted. अगर हम वहाँ से चलें तो इसके आगे जो भी मिलेगा वो बोनस होगा. That's the point. So many years ago on the like अच्छी चीज़ें जो they say that movie की stories तो real life से ही बनती है ना, like reality is stranger than fiction. So many years ago we all talk to God in our own different ways. So I don't know, maybe I'd had a conversation with him or whatever. So it was my birthday a few years ago, maybe 3 years ago maximum, on the 29th of October. So if you guys remember, please wish me that day. So I had a dream that I've died and gone to heaven. And I sat down, I went to God's office. तो उनकी secretary ने मुझे बोला कि अभी वो आने वाले हैं, तो she told me to sit on a couch. Now I'm a big guy. I have a problem sitting on these kind of chairs. I like a couch. तो ये personalized detail, attention to detail था. I like that. They gave me a couch. Then I have a thing that I like to have a cappuccino. But cappuccino क्या है, आधी पीने में ना ठंडी हो जाती है. हमेशा दुनिया भर की बेस्ट cappuccino. अब सारी एक साथ थोड़ी पीनी है. कप बड़े होते जा रहे हैं. But this is my own personal conversation with myself. कि अगर हर थोड़ी देर बाद कप गर्म होता रहे तो. They had a heater. कप गर्म हो रहा था. I was like, this is amazing. God के ऑफिस में ऐसी सर्विस नहीं मिलेगी तो कहाँ मिलेगी. Then she came and gave me an iPad. And she said, इस पे एक movie है, you play it, it'll come on a big TV over there. सामने बड़ा TV था. बड़े टीवी के ऊपर वो मूवी चलाई उन्होंने. And he said, can you watch this movie? And then I'll tell you next step to meet God. So I saw that movie, and she gave me like an ECG kind of a machine to put away. And I saw the entire movie. The movie was me, my life. School की जो भी memories थी, ये था, वो था, all those things. The only difference was that I was feeling what the other person felt while talking to. मेरी emotion नहीं थे. सारे उनकी feelings थी. So how I made people feel when I held their hand and said कोई बात नहीं, or when I did something wrong to a person, तो वो सारी there was a roller coaster of emotion. I was like, oh shit, I didn't even, ये तो मेरा मतलब ही नहीं था. Oh, this is so sweet. उसको इतना अच्छा लगा मेरी इतनी सी बात. This whole thing happens. और वो जब पूरा मूवी खत्म हुआ, जो उसका जो सारांश था, was a feeling. अब वो थोड़ी अच्छी थी, थोड़ी कड़वी थी. That was the feeling. And then they said, okay, God is ready to meet you. I went into a room, there was only a light and a knowingness कि यही बताना था तुम्हारे को. So that dream has stuck with me obviously for a long time. That अगर कोई चीज़ करनी है, ये मेरा अपना है, मेरा सपना है, मे बी लोगों को रिलेट हो ना हो, but what I thought was कि अगर if you just being nice to other people, that also you're doing for yourself because you feel good you're being nice. तो वो भी selfish है. और and that brings me to the second point. सर सब्जेक्ट में फिर होना अलाउड है. दूसरा ये है कि selfish is a good word. What's the problem? If I can take care of myself and my emotions, तब मैं दूसरों का भी ध्यान रख रहा हूँ as a result. What's the problem?
You know, I think everybody is selfish in this
Right.
world. It's just the okay, everybody is selfish, but it's just the radius that differs.
Yeah.
I read this like long ago, pata nahi kahan par, and that's the sentence that it said, and it has stuck with me. I feel like up until a point where you are not stepping on somebody's feelings or something, and you're taking care of yourself and you're prioritizing yourself, you should be selfish. I think मैं अपने clients को बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ. I was like, so you have a task for the next week, and they're like, what? And I'm like, I want you to be the most selfish person in the room. And then they will look at me like, what? What are you saying? I'm like, all your life, you have only thought about, you know, others' feelings. उनको कैसा लगेगा? What would they feel? What would they do? I want you to prioritize yourself. And I feel this is like very deeply linked with our discussion of happiness as well, because I feel that's where it starts, right? Like if you cannot prioritize yourself, if you cannot put yourself first, where is that?
Airplane oxygen mask.
Exactly.
Oxygen mask.
Exactly. Where is that going to come from?
And
You
तो क्या
cannot-
this I feel is हम जान के नहीं करते because we like to blame people. अगर मैं सपोज अपने लिए करूँगा दूसरों को तो blame नहीं कर पाऊंगा. कहीं ना कहीं होक बना के रखते हो कि थोड़ा सा दुख वापस आता रहे.
अरे यार कुछ लोग तो ग्लोरीफाई करते हैं इस चीज को. People glorify this.
लव मैरिज नहीं, लव मैरिज नुकसान है क्योंकि फिर आप इसको ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते शादी खराब हो गई तो.
I तो I want to say कि ताकि blame मुझ पर रखे.
एक दो चीजें रखो जहाँ ब्लेम लगा रहे, नहीं तो सारी चीजें मेरे ऊपर आ जाएगी. थोड़ी सी हुक्स बाहर रखो मार्केट में.
People have forgotten that the happiness, true happiness, it lies in the process and not in the destination. That's what people are forgetting. And when it comes to living in the process, I believe that the major role is played by their belief system, which is being created because of the society. There are two kinds of belief I strongly believe in. One is going to be very empowering, and one is going to be disempowering, जिसको हम limiting beliefs भी बोलते हैं. And the empowering beliefs, it's going to help you make the right choices. The disempowering belief, I feel it leads you to the incorrect choices that we make in our life. And when we talk about manifestation, manifestation is all about what thoughts are coming to your mind and how you are adding feelings to it. And when you attach a feeling to it, you make those choices. And your beliefs, हर किसी का belief है, belief. We have a belief about यार ये आदमी क्या कर रहा है ना? डॉक्टर के बारे में एक belief है, टीचर के बारे में एक belief है, everything. मदर इन लॉज के बारे में एक belief है हम सबका. My belief is very different. I have the best mother-in-law in the whole wide world. So I have a very different belief system about her. But overall, generally, if we talk about like the common term given to mother-in-laws and father-in-laws,
ये वाला क्लिप को हम वायरल करेंगे. ये वाला क्लिप को
then we बोला कि mother-in-law भी देखेंगे ना. I think she knows that. I have been living with her last 16 years. Yeah. So what I feel is that we have a belief about everything in our own life, and that is being created because of our childhood days, like the experiences we had, like the situations we were in. And because of those beliefs, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हमें एक ही सेट पैटर्न में काम करना चाहिए.
Right.
This is what I was coming to when she was talking about her own child, and when she started with बच्चों को सब कुछ मिल जाता on the table. Like imagine when she started, she's saying that इनको खाना मिल रहा है, इनकी फीस जा रही है. No, that's such a narrow way. As you know, as a parent, we look at kids like they are some sort of a possession. वे तेरे को मैंने अच्छे से स्कूल में डाल दिया. I'm getting you the best toys. I'm getting you everything. And then why are you sad? But the point is that people, if you notice, who are not happy, it all starts from childhood. Yeah. And it's usually a parent who doesn't understand that a child is also a person. So what happens is we think child is a possession, so usko kaise bhi treat kar lo. Whereas children have self-respect. You know, you need to treat children like you would treat another friend or a person your age. Yeah. Yeah. So the yeah, no, but then manual nahi hai, इसीलिए हम लोग हैं. I think the responsibility lies on us to not only have subscriptions in people, but to have purpose. Now that is purpose. Like I had a little, I mean, I had an amazing childhood. My father had his own struggles, but he took the best care of us. But of course, in the growing up years, there are a lot of things happened which probably affects your self-respect. You know, your way of looking at things. You know, a child who grows up with hand-me-down clothes wants to buy the best clothes when he grows up. Yeah, or a child who's been disrespected and trampled. You know, tries to win everybody's. You know, मुझे सबके सबका favorite बनना है. Yeah. So that's why when I was wanting to speak about it, but the conversation went to a different direction. Happiness can never be worked on or inner joy till we are able to really actually understand that children who go to school, who we give all the facilities to, who are taken care of, can still be lonely. Like you said in that Discord groups, my son has groups and he's pretty cool. He shows me a lot of stuff that happens, and there's a lot of bullying happens. And I know the point is that bullies are very insensitive. But you know, kids come with no filters. And that's why their world is far more tougher than our world. So if I don't like, say, if Avi doesn't like a person, Avi would very sweetly say, "You're very sweet. I don't have time. Maybe some other time."
Good point. Good point.
Kids are straightforward. You look like a beep beep, and you're this, and your dad is this, and you're this, and okay, let's throw him out. Now the central to the conversation is, why does a child or a person becomes unhappy and starts becoming an unhappier person and chases all these things? Is being invisible. Being invisible. You know, you can hate a person, you can like a person, you can dislike a person, you can abuse a person, but you leave him alone and he does not exist. Is the most miserable space you can be in.
Actually, there is a context here. Everybody craves for an identity. Okay, children have no identity basically. Okay, we feel it. Who the traumatized parents will feel the trauma into the children. So exactly, generationally it has been transferred. I would say nobody taught our parents how to parent. So they just absorbed from the environment and they thought, okay, this is good. Okay, my chacha ye kiya, mera nana ye kiya. So let me put all of that. Okay, that's the idea they have got. So I would say we cannot blame anybody. But one thing is, as adults, one thing we should understand is whatever I do is absorbed by the child. Okay, they're like sponges. They just absorb.
So lead by example.
Exactly. So once I understand my child is behaving in a way that is not normal, or he is trying to express something but is unable to, we shut the child down, say तुझे पता नहीं कुछ भी. हाँ, पता नहीं होता है. He doesn't know anything, right? How does he know anything? So we should not emphasize that he doesn't know anything. Tell it, okay. Ask him, what do you know? How does it exactly? हाँ, how do you want it to be?
और वो तब तक सुनता है जब तक वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है, उसको रियलाइज होता है या तो आपको भी कुछ नहीं पता.
So these things, we put our parents on pedestals and the kind of stuff they do to us, and then we replicate the stuff, and that's called the generational trauma.
We replicate,
That's what need to.
and then somebody told me the third step is then we bring them down. कि ये अपने माइंड में
No, we try to parent them actually, which is a very wrong thing to do.
see because वही आपके भगवान थे हमेशा से, उसी के अंदर का आपको एक जो देता है, ये this guy is human and you're shattered. फिर आपके सोच you falling, that person is falling from grace. But then as those people are growing old, you also, so it's like, yaar, I don't know how to,
And now what to do?
like, what to do with this relationship of yours. And then your kids are growing old and you're like, ये भी मेरे को ऐसे ही देख रहा है. I think we don't, हम बीच में, I think we don't, we don't grow up. Nobody says, अच्छा अब आप बड़े हो गए, you can have children. I think you're ready. Everybody can have a child, and then you're like, and then we're growing up with them. और you're like, shit, तब तक गलती हो जाती है. Like, मैंने एक पोस्ट देखा था थोड़ी दिन पहले, which came from a similar this thing, because I was talking to my daughter. I've got my daughters are 19 and 16, and the challenges are amazing, right? Like, स्कूल में जब लड़ाई होती थी और 8-10 बंदे सामने आते थे, तो मुझे लगता था वो चैलेंज है. बिजनेस में जब कैश फ्लो इशूज आ जाते थे और एक क्लाइंट भी जा रहा है और टीम भी छोड़ के जा रही है, मुझे लगता था वो इशूज है. बट नाउ माई 2 daughters have told me, no, these are the issues that we have to deal with. So I'm like, ठीक है, that's, as long as the conversation and communication is flowing freely, I'm happy to deal with these challenges. So when you're talking to them, you're realizing that, तो मैंने ना बात कर रहा था उनसे, then I was talking to my parents about something. And, oh shit, I should have done this. I was asking my younger daughter, she's like, for the elder Didi, you should have done this. Maybe you're right. And my mom was like, Dad, I was like, I should have done this. Then I wrote that post कि हे भगवान, एक ही जिंदगी है जिसमें थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिकल दोनों साथ में नहीं हो रहे, या तो थ्योरी करा रहे हो या प्रैक्टिकल करवा. और हर एग्जाम में फेल होते के बाद समझ आ रहा है अच्छा ये बेटर करना चाहिए था, साथ में नहीं हो रहा तब तक वो अपॉर्चुनिटी निकल जाती है.
I think what you're saying here, I meet this one of the educators in our country for the jumbo kids, like junior kids, Swati ma'am. She says, हम लाइसेंस भी लाइक गाड़ी चलाने के लिए भी पहले लाइसेंस देते हैं, राइट? बट पेरेंट हम बिना लाइसेंस के बनते हैं. एंड देयर आर पेरेंट्स हु कम बच्चे को स्कूल में लेकर, एंड आई हैव सीन दिस हैपनिंग, राइट? हाँ, एंड आई हैव सीन दिस हैपनिंग. बट ये 5 घंटा तो आपके यहाँ रह रहे हैं ना, एंड द पेरेंट इज लाइक बाकी कहाँ है? 24 घंटे में 5 ही घंटा. तो
संस्कार तो आप ही के मरे हुए उसमें
टीचर की जिम्मेदारी है, मेरे बच्चे को सब आ जाना चाहिए. फाइन.
आउटसोर्स करना था.
And then the second problem which parents feel is like the जो पेरेंट्स के साथ प्रॉब्लम है, बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं, आर वी ग्रोइंग एज अ पेरेंट, राइट?
Right.
बिकॉज वी आर स्टक देयर, हम यही हैं. एंड आई डोंट नो, सी व्हेन पीपल टॉक अबाउट हैविंग चाइल्डहुड इश्यूज, आई एम सॉरी बट आई डोंट रेजोनेट बिकॉज आई डोंट रियलाइज कि चाइल्डहुड में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, बिकॉज आई हैड अ blessed beautiful childhood, right? In fact, my parents, I feel they were too ahead of their times. I literally feel, I mean, not just let us do, in fact they were ready to explore with us. So what we talk about now, like spend time with your kids and all of that, which is supposed to be cool, I had always played with my parents. Like we used to play badminton together, carom together, we used to write poetries together. That was the kind of childhood we had, right? हमारे Sundays होते थे कि हम सब घर में बैठे हैं, हम कोई puzzles कर रहे हैं, हम लोग सब एक topic पे लिख रहे हैं, and one person would become judge, rest would participate. That's the childhood I had. So I don't realize what it means. But I definitely do realize one thing, that what is happiness? If you literally think of it, कुछ हो जाए तो खुशी है, नहीं, गम में भी खुशी है. And trust me when I say this, I think one of the strongest reason why I truly believe in this is because I've lost both my parents, okay? So when I lost my dad, of course, when I lost my mom, I was in a different genre. I was younger that time and I didn't realize a lot. I had a lot of void that time happening. But when I lost my dad, I realized that was one of the saddest and one of the happiest days for me. Saddest because I lost the last standing pillar in my life. Happiest because I realized that day how universe works beautifully. When you had the strangers coming together during the COVID time at an unknown place. So I lost my dad close to Goa, that is Ratnagiri. He was traveling and he was taken down at Ratnagiri station. We knew no one there. We had never been to Ratnagiri before. 3 sisters flowing down from different cities, having different people, 50 strangers, all working people, took a leave to be there for my dad's funeral. We did not know a single person. We don't even know till date who they were. And पुलिस, अभी जो आपने बोला था ना, परसेप्शन लोगों के हो जाते हैं, बिलीफ सिस्टम रहता है कि लोग एज्यूम करते हैं, पीपल से पुलिस तो ब्राइब ही लेगी, पुलिस कभी हेल्प नहीं कर सकती. वी हैड द इंस्पेक्टर सेइंग ऑफ दैट रीजन, आप लोग यहाँ गेस्ट हैं, आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, इवन अगर माचिस के तीली मेरे कांस्टेबल्स खड़े हैं, आप इन्हें बात करो. व्हाट इज नो जस्ट व्हाट एल्स डू यू वांट?
And it comes in the same point. Whatever you believe is true. It's true for you. What that's being mirrored to you. Yes.
So like that, अभी you were mentioning कि सभी तो बोल रहे थे कि आज ग्रहण है, आज ये है, मत जाओ, खराब है. तो अगर वो लोग कहीं जाएंगे तो उनका जरूर होगा, because that is their belief system. अगर लोग सोचते हैं काली बिल्ली रास्ता काटते तो खराब होता है, यू लुक एट द वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, उनके घर में तो काली बिल्लियां उनके आसपास घूम रही होती है, बट कुछ खराब नहीं होता, because it is the belief system. That's one thing. And second thing, like जैसे कि आपने पुलिस का भी बोला, आई थिंक ये हम लोगों को ना एक जज कर लेते हैं कि पुलिस ऐसी है, डॉक्टर्स ऐसे हैं, ये है, तो एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. और वैसे ही पेरेंट के लिए भी एज्यूम किया जाता है, दे मस्ट बी मिस्टर एंड मिस नो इट ऑल. ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं ऑन दिस प्लैनेट हु इज मिस्टर और मिस नो इट ऑल. वी लर्न इन द प्रोसेस. अगर हम ये बात अपने बच्चे को बता दें that see, I might make mistakes and you have all the right to
बच्चों को बता दो, स्टाफ को बता दो, और आधी टेंशन खत्म हो गई.
yes, absolutely. पहले खुद एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा ना,
पहले खुद एक्सेप्ट करना
कि हमें सब कुछ नहीं आता. लेकिन अक्सर प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, नहीं मैं तो गलत हो ही नहीं सकता. I think that is the biggest parent as an employer.
One takeaway from what she said was, because Ritvika has this way of looking at things, so things fall in place like that. And I think that's something that I have noticed is that people who are pessimistic will end up having situations which are worse.
क्योंकि आप ढूंढ रहे हो ना अभी
Exactly.
तक नहीं हुआ कल
It's basically exactly like the cognitive bias. You know, if you really like a blue car, you will end up seeing a lot of blue cars everywhere. So I think so since we're talking about happiness, so then wonderful points come from both the ladies is that pessimism and optimism are extremely important aspects of it. So for a pessimist, then a pessimist is sitting in the office and thinking, and company is going fine, but he's thinking, यार ये वाला प्रोडक्ट फेल हो गया ना, मैं सड़क पे आ जाऊंगा, मुझे गाड़ी भी देनी पड़ जाएगी यार, और मेरी बहुत बेइज्जती होगी और रिश्तेदार मजाक उड़ाएंगे. That's a pessimist. And an optimist would be sitting and he's saying, okay, there's a challenge. Okay, let me see how I can probably turn things around. Because somewhere I know I'm like, you know, I have a friend, he always says, you know, I'm protected by the divine forces. And I love when he says that. And I think मुझे भी उससे वो rub off हो गया है. Whereas I realize that what he basically, he tells me, you know, I have this aunt and she tells me whenever things go wrong, she says, think in your mind, Jitesh, the best path will open up. The best path will open up. Convince yourself. And somehow things happen. And that's when I realized, so I'm not a very spiritual person. I mean, in the sense, not spiritual, like I don't believe in all sorts of those manifestations and things like that. But maybe as a science person, I feel that our consciousness has this way of expanding through our life and affecting the consciousness of things around us. Something is there. Energy. Yeah, maybe the collective consciousness, like, you know, the psychologist says. Yeah. But you can feel it.
I call it like this सबका
Possible thing. Yeah.
I call it like, you know, हम सबके पास फ़ोन है, हम सब डिफरेंट तरीके से यूज़ करते हैं. आप मुझे अपना फ़ोन दे दो एक दिन के लिए, मैं समझ जाऊँगा आप अपना फ़ोन कैसे यूज़ करते हो, व्हाट आर योर, और मैं अपना फ़ोन कैसे यूज़ करता हूँ. सो आई जस्ट फील लाइक दिस, नाउ दे आर सेइंग दैट 7000 यूनिवर्सेस, आप कुछ भी सोच सकते हो और वही होगा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई थिंक द टूल्स आर द सेम, दैट एवरीबडी हैज़ द सेम टूल, और द लेज़ी मैन्स गाइड टू थिंकिंग बेटर इज़ टू बी एबल टू हैव अ संगत लाइक दिस. हम बोले ठीक है, ऐसी अगर बात करनी है, मान लीजिए अगर ये कंपनी होती है, रोज़ हम लोगों को नहीं मिलना होता बोर्ड मीटिंग में या व्हाटएवर, तो आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी वुड हैव बीन हैविंग पॉजिटिव कन्वर्सेशन अराउंड गुड थिंग, राइट? सो ऐसा ही बनाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज 1 आउट ऑफ 10 तो हम हारते ही जाएंगे. यू नो, इन मोस्ट सर्कल्स लाइक व्हाट वी आर थिंकिंग इज कि वी आर 1 आउट ऑफ 10. वी मीन्स दैट माइंडसेट बड़ी जल्दी वो हार जाते हैं, क्योंकि अगर बाकी सब लोग रो रहे हैं तो यू नो, लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक टू गो होम लेट बिकॉज दे फील यार मेरे घर में जो भी वेट कर रहा है मेरी या कर रही है वो रो रहे, यू नो, लाइक दे गो टू क्रिप अबाउट समथिंग एंड आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिप. आई एम, यू नो, मैंने तो खुश रहो वर्ड का पॉडकास्ट देखा है. मैं तो खुश रहने के मूड में हूँ.
So that's a brilliant point. I remember reading somebody very wonderful, and he said that your relationships depend on how happy you are. And if you're very happy, like I now when I talk to a lot of youngsters, and I've noticed a pattern. The boy who has a lot of wonderful friends, who's always chilling with his friends, they're like his pals and buddies. His girlfriend is far more attached to that guy because she somehow loves the. You know, when we say get a life means have a great circle of friends. Do your own thing. Don't keep running after the relationship.
Doesn't mean get more followers.
No, you know what? Yeah, so
वो भी ठीक है.
no, getting more followers, we know the dopamine hit. You know, let's talk science. Of course, getting more followers is very important for professionals. You know, I've seen when we see people's pages and we see, okay, who's this guy? Okay, he's got itne se followers, probably he's not doing much. I've been told by people, yeah, you need to open your profile. Mine is a private profile. I said, there's so many stalkers. He said, no, open it. And then people would follow you and I'll have more followers. I said, no, I like my space. So to each one. But the fact is that we were also talking about selfishness. You know, you talked about selfishness. And I wanted to bring that point out is that we have somewhere not understood. We need to have self-compassion and self-acceptance. I was reading this wonderful book by Wallace D. Wattles, this 100-year book. He said, okay, so imagine your body is like a temple and the God resides within you. And that's what most cultures believe, you know, that the human body has the divinity within it. Why would you put bad clothes on a body like that? You know, even if you buy cheap clothes, they should be nicely iron pressed and you should look lovely, whatever you're wearing. So I feel that that kind of selfishness, I understand. That you respect yourself, your own, you know. I think that's happiness. That's the kind of life where you really are able to respect your own being. You know, that is, you accept yourself. Okay, I may not be good at, like I was terrible at sports. My brother was excellent at sports. So we had this whole conversation in the school. Then I had this other friend who was very good at everything, studies, sports. And today when I meet him, he's just trying to, he's not very successful in life. Unfortunately, a lot of things didn't So life doesn't, if you're great at things, doesn't guarantee happiness. I think what really constitutes to happiness is self-acceptance. You really find that divine space within you. You really treat yourself well. And if you treat yourself well, you have a life, you have great friends around you. I think your relationships also grow very well.
Yeah, also, there's a point to there. I've heard from maybe Sadhguru, I guess. He said happiness is a state of being. Okay, when I understand that, when I try to comprehend it in my ways. So, what is state of being? Nobody taught us. Okay, they said do this, you get it. Do this. So it's always a chasing and destination.
Right.
But if chasing a destination is the objective or is the definition of happiness, then I'm never being. I'm always doing. So when I'm continuously doing, I'm occupied with something or the other. I have a strategy. I've got a plan. Exactly. I'm not in the moment. I'm always thinking 2 steps ahead, or I'm focusing on what mistakes I should avoid. So this actually stirred a lot of things inside me. And we are talking about how we see science in the universe, right? For example, like the blue car thing that you have mentioned. So what happens is universe is always giving us signs of all that we think of. Okay. So if I am attracting certain things in my life, then I have to just introspect what data I have in me that is making me attract this. Even yes, reflection.
That's a brilliant point.
जैसे अभी हम you're going and liking a few posts and your Instagram feed is getting engineered. So that's what we're doing in the real world also. Subconsciously we're doing that. Subconsciously we're doing that. So like I removed this and I put Instagram on my other phone. And so also making partly successful in making a huge effort to have certain people in my life who are very close to me but are not allowing me to be in this level, to have them as cousin friends. Like cousin friends को आप कभी cousins के जैसे ही मिलते हो. There's lots of fun, but you meet them once in quad. So that separation, like आज किसी ने क्या बोला सुबह that my mom called me and said कि कल वो earthquake आया था Thailand. I was like, oh thank God, now I don't know about news, that means that thing is working. I'm not putting this here. But not knowing, we're all sharing our own personal lessons. ना. Number one, ये algorithm बदल सकता है. We suggest to a lot of our clients, दूसरे phone पे अपना दूसरा Instagram बनाओ and now follow the people that will only give you happiness. और क्योंकि ये तो cluttered हो चुका है, इसको तो ठीक करने का फायदा ही नहीं है. Remember Manvi ji was saying इसमें minus करो, वो तो हो चुका है, that will drag you down because वो less aware वाले days थे जब सबको follow करा. अब उस कितनों को हटाओगे, दूसरा बना लो और उन्हीं लोगों को फॉलो करो. दैट एंड प्लस सो देन दैट इंटेंशन विल कम इनटू योर रियल लाइफ एज वेल. यहाँ जाना है, यहाँ नहीं जाना, द पावर टू से नो एंड टू बी. एंड सेकंड पॉइंट वाज आई यूज्ड टू फील के ओनली लूजर्स डू दिस. एक एंटरप्रेन्योर ऐसे नहीं कर सकता. टुडे आई एम टेकिंग प्राइड इन सेइंग 2 थिंग्स. मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ, व्हाट हैपेंड यस्टरडे. अच्छा दिस बिजनेस, अच्छा ऐसे हुआ. Somebody, I wanted to be the first person to know stuff. It's okay. It's okay. No, forget it. And second is one thing that works, which I call a circuit breaker, is when I feel everybody should do it from the age of 10. Doesn't matter what age you are, is you should take a nap for 30 minutes because days are getting longer, nights are getting longer. We're doing much more than what we were doing. You have to break off and you come back. फिजिकल रिचार्ज के अलावा क्या होता है, पर्सपेक्टिव रिचार्ज होता है. आई लर्न दिस फ्रॉम माय फादर इन लॉ. व्हेन आई टेल हिम आई लर्न दिस फ्रॉम हिम, ही से 30 साल के बाद क्या सीखा तो क्या सीखा. बट एनीवे टाइम लग गया थोड़ा. बट द थिंग इज दैट एवरी टाइम ही यूज्ड टू टेल मी, एवरी टाइम आई यूज्ड टू आइदर कॉल हिम और माय डैड इन लॉ. जब भी कोई ऑफिस में प्रॉब्लम होती थी, हाउ डू आई डील विद इट, एंड माय डैड यूज्ड टू बी लाइक नो कन्फ्रंट द सिचुएशन, बुलाओ उसको, कैसे खत्म करो ये वो, प्रॉपर टिपिकल दिल्ली पर्सन. एंड माय फादर इन लॉ यूज्ड टू से थोड़ी सो जाओ जाके. लाइक माय फादर इन लॉ फ्रॉम द आर्मी. आई वाज लाइक इतना चिल्ड आउट लाइफ स्टाइल है, ऐसे थोड़ी कोई बिजनेस बनता है ये वो, यार आई डोंट लाइक इट. बट आई फॉलोड माई फादर सिंग फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. आई रियलाइज कि नहीं बॉस, ये नहीं चल रहा. एवरी टाइम दिस समथिंग जो सर्किट को ब्रेक कर सकते हो, सर्किट ब्रेकर ऑफ करो, सो जाओ, हैव अ कोल्ड शावर एंड पुशअप्स. दीज 3 थिंग्स आई हैव बीन डूइंग फॉर 3-4 years नाउ. इट वर्क्स मैजिक. यू कम बैक टू अ डिफरेंट पर्सन. आपने उसके बाद भी उस बंदे से जो भी लड़ाई करनी है आप लेकर अपने आप को परेशान नहीं करोगे. ठीक है भाई, तुम चले जाओ, कल से हमारी नहीं बन रही, खत्म. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक you don't get into unnecessary wars in life.
I
Sorry?
absolutely agree with that. Like you say push up, for me that's skipping.
Yeah.
Like it just
जैसी ब्लड रश होता है ना, वो पुराना सब कुछ एक रिकॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो जाती है बॉडी की somehow. It's like a restart on your own.
emotions आपके पूरे changes हो गए वो
रीस्टार्ट होता है ना जब कोई हैंग हो जाता है it just-
Well, by the older people would say that don't get an instant reaction.
Yeah.
Wait for some time.
right
Settle, you know.
I'm telling you that is a वो रामबाण है ये कि उसको बोलो कल बात करें
old needs to get an instant reaction. I talk to a lot of people like my students that I have. I talk to them and they ask me कि जब भी चलो लाइफ अच्छी चल रही है तब तो हम पॉजिटिव रह सकते हैं बट जब लाइफ अच्छी नहीं चल रही तब क्या करें एंड आई एम लाइक एट दैट मोमेंट फॉर 1 second ask what's your switch decide your switch is sorted for me what a switch is cleaning my cupboard can be a switch for me. And I am
that's a switch for my mom cleaning every kitty's cupboard
I think most women can resonate.
and I'm cleaning everything
Yeah, it is. It just changes your mind to a next level. Your energy goes up. So when you find a switch, for some people it can be driving a car, maybe, or for some people it can be going for a walk, drawing, painting. When you find that switch, and when you just focus on that switch for that like 30 seconds, 60 seconds, whatever the time period, it can be different for everybody, right?
Actually, there's science here. Yeah, please.
Yeah.
so switch can be going to the bar and having a double whiskey or no
Maybe if that resonates with you.
I'm asking customer your switch
Maybe whatever resonates with you, whatever calms down your energy. I don't think having alcohol will calm down your energy. It will, but before that,
I tried that for the longest time it didn't work
No. Because your body reacts in a different way. That's all. It's not in sync with what you have to do.
tomorrow morning it's like कल रात की story याद दे रहा हूँ
Exactly. So your mind understands that.
I have been an alcoholic for the longest period of my life, and I have wasted my life being an alcoholic.
We appreciate you first of all, yes, we lot of energy, really.
So I have been doing multiple jobs. I've been doing multiple business. I wanted to become a homemaker, to be very honest. I don't know how I reached here, but again, coming back to the purpose, कभी नहीं था लाइफ में कोई पर्पस नहीं था होममेकर ही बनना था एंड दैट
वो purpose है ये तो बहुत अच्छा purpose है
purpose नहीं था ना that was imposed on me because there was no women in my family who has actually followed a purpose in their life. उनको बोला गया कि आपको एक women हो शादी करनी है बच्चे करनी है यही आपका पर्पस है.
But it's underrated raising a family. That's it.
It's a beautiful, beautiful.
But it has been only passed on to me via generations. It's not what I decided.
इससे कभी कभी ऐसे भी होता है कि हम क्या कहते हैं कि चाहिए मुझे वही लेकिन आपने बोला इससे नहीं करना पहले मैं काम करूंगा फिर वापस आऊंगा
सिंपल है सीजे साफ कर दो मैं करने वाली थी बड़ा
instruction and that is happening it men women both and because that पहले मैं ये करूंगा अब now I'm going to do it
अब तूने बोल दिया ना अब मैंने भी उठा.
No, मैं ये करने जा रहा तूने नहीं.
See, it's not just for women, I think it's for men. When you say, even a child doesn't like instructions, right? आप बच्चे को बोल दो पढ़ने वो नहीं पढ़ेंगे आप नहीं बोलो उनको छोड़ दो थोड़ी देर में खुद ही टीवी ऑफ हो जाएगा पढ़ भी लेंगे nobody likes instruction, to be very honest. That's absolute freedom, right? Your freedom is something which people appreciate. Like you were saying, identity चाहिए. अभी तुमने बोल दिया तो वो मेरी identity नहीं हुई ना.
that's a good point but I think हम लोग सब ऐसे ही थे डांट पड़ी हो ये बुरा मान जाएंगे या जाएगा थोड़ा सा इमोशनल मैनिपुलेशन एंड वो सब करके हम लोग तो निकल गए यार
The society you live in, the kind of atmosphere you live in, so आप जो चीज जैसे समझते हो आप उसी तरीके से एक्ट करते हो. आपने ये समझ लिया अपने बचपन में कि पापा डांटेंगे तो करना ही है. अब डांट गया तो करके दिखाना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव लर्न, दैट्स योर कंडीशन. और आज के टाइम में बच्चों दे आर लाइक ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गुड दैट दे हैव सो मच ऑफ नॉलेज एंड सो मच ऑफ अवेयरनेस. उनको पता है हमारा एक फ्रीडम ऑफ थॉट है, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है एंड सब कुछ है. तो पेरेंट कह रहे तो नहीं करना बिकॉज we want to do, that's why we will do. It will be also careers also. जैसे बच्चों को बोलो ना ये बनना है या तो भाई ऐसा your father is this, your grandfather is this, या this will be good. I know. But that is a way.
No, we had three, four school friends. We've known each other since the age of 4. One of them lost his dad. One, I am lucky my dad talks to me about everything. I'm going to tell him ये podcast कैसा था, सुबह वाला कैसा था, सब कुछ कैसा था, क्या हुआ, क्या नहीं, कौन सा monetize होगा, नहीं होगा. Then there's a friend of mine whose dad doesn't know anything about business. वो सिर्फ normal overall बातें करते हैं. And then all of us when we compare notes, and then I spoke to my dad about this also. He said, listen यार हमें कुछ नहीं पता. ठीक है. अगर हम आपको किसी चीज़ से वंचित रखेंगे, then you will say दिया नहीं. अगर आप ज़्यादा दे देंगे तो हुआ नहीं. So my father-in-law is always being army background से हमारे पास तो था ही नहीं देने के लिए. तो हमने अपनी बेटियों को सिर्फ confidence दिया. My dad over this thing कि ज़्यादा दो. अब I was like, what worked? आई वाज लाइक दिस इज ग्रेट, अगर आपने मुझे कम दिया होता मैं भी स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह कर देता तो पुश करते थोड़ा, बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट जो जैसा हो रहा है ना उसमें परफेक्ट है चीज निकल के आ रही है, बिकॉज लेटर ऑन इन लाइफ आई फाउंड अ सेकंड फादर इन माय फादर इन लॉ। अब सीख लो, अब उनसे सीख लो आपको।
I'd like to add here,
Hmm.
अगर मटेरियल चीजों में खुशी होती तो द रिचेस्ट पर्सन वुड हैव बीन हैप्पीएस्ट। आप देखो ना, एक बेगर को आप 10 रुपी का कॉइन देखो, छोटे बच्चे को, वो उसके चेहरे का ना जो भाव आप देखोगे ना, द इमोशन दैट यू सी, इट्स लाइक इट्स प्राइसलेस। आप वो किसी के पास फेरारी भी चला रहा होगा तो उसका भी मुंह सूजा हुआ होगा।
नहीं नहीं, आई डोंट एग्री। अगर उसके साथ वाले को 20 रुपए मिल जाए किसी गाड़ी से तो दस तो कोई नहीं है।
कंपैरिजन इज द किलर ऑफ जॉय।
बस बस बस
वो कंपैरिजन इज द किलर ऑफ जॉय। वही वाली आप कंपैरिजन में वही, अगर जो मर्सिडीज वाला होगा वो ऑडी वाले को देख करके दुखी हो जाएगा। सो कंपैरिजन इज द किलर ऑफ जॉय एंड सेकंड इज
That's why you call them richest person and not the happiest person.
यस एग्जैक्टली।
This is
So, लाइक यू सेड ना कि अगर ये मिला होता तो ऐसा होता वैसा होता, कुछ भी मिल जाए। टू सन्स ऑफ धीरूभाई अंबानी, they got, in fact Anil Ambani got more wealth. I don't want this to come on air, but you know, see, so चीजों में कुछ नहीं है। So I would say कि ना चीजों में कुछ नहीं है, but I think the way you take it, the way you perceive it, and what you do with it, that is very
the
important.
last part, what you do with
What you do with it. And the other thing was that, you know, I'll just finish this here, sorry. So, you know, कि happiness को लोग बोलते हैं कि वो happy है क्योंकि उसकी लाइफ में सब कुछ अच्छा है, इसलिए उसका तो हैप्पी होना बनता है। दिस इज व्हाट पीपल परसीव, दिस इज व्हाट पीपल थिंक, बट आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट द ट्रूथ। द ट्रूथ इज हिज लाइफ इज गुड बिकॉज ही इज हैप्पी। क्योंकि लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आए, अगर आप हैप्पी नहीं हो, अनहैप्पी हो, आप डिप्रेस हो जाते हो, स्ट्रेस हो जाते हो, दारू पीते हो या कुछ और करते हो, लाइक यू सेड ना, अगर मुझे गुस्सा आए तो मैं दारू पीऊंगा तो यू नो ड्रिंक ले तो हो जाएगा। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, यू नो। आप उसको उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखो, a challenge came to your life and you're a happy person. So what you do, okay, this is a challenge. What can I do to deal with it? How can I get over it? What can I do to fix this? एक positive and a happy mindset. Definitely आप चीजों का रास्ता निकालोगे sooner or later. And अगर आप बहुत टाइम तक नहीं भी निकालते हो, if you're a happy person, you will continue to be happy while struggling, while juggling, while trying to figure out. राइट। सो आपकी लाइफ अच्छी होगी क्योंकि आप हैप्पी थे।
दैट इज, आप बिल्कुल ठीक, दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव दिस वेरी स्ट्रांग बिलीफ दैट अगर कौरव्स और पांडवस के पास भी कोच थे और किशन जी भी कोच ही थे, सो कोचिंग, सी व्हाट आई सेड दिस ऑन मेनी पॉडकास्ट दैट फॉर द सेक ऑफ एन एग्जांपल, अभी एंटरप्रेन्योर ले लेते हैं, वैसे तो हर आदमी जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ कर ही रहा है इंपॉर्टेंट। एक एंटरप्रेन्योर ले लेते हैं, एक वी से वी गो टू स्कूल में हमें कुछ नहीं पता, हम बच्चे हैं, हमने कुछ नहीं किया लाइफ में, हम खोए हुए हैं, वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग, हमारे को एक स्कूल में डाल दिया गया, बट हम रोज सुबह 6 बजे उठ के गर्मी हो ठंडी हो पहुंचते हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज अ डिसिप्लिन। देन 14-15 सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग द यू नो द एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, ये वो सब कुछ, कैसे आज ये क्या करना है, कल क्या करना है, उसकी तैयारी करनी है, ड्रामा भी आ रहा है, मैनेज करके, बिकॉज एक स्ट्रक्चर है। तो डिसिप्लिन स्ट्रक्चर। तीसरा, अकेले जब होते हो तो कम्युनिटी है, डिसिप्लिन स्ट्रक्चर कम्युनिटी। जैसे 90-95% पीपल फिनिश स्कूल, कॉलेज में हमारे को चाहिए थोड़ी सी फ्रीडम, वो फ्रीडम आती है तो 60-70% पीपल फिनिश कॉलेज, एंड देन कम्स एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, टोटल फ्रीडम, 3% और स्टार्टअप्स और सक्सेस। ये तो बहुत ही गंदा फिगर है। अगर इसको रिवर्स कर दिया जाए, सिस्टम स्ट्रक्चर और वो दिया जाए, तो वहाँ से माई माइंडसेट कम्स टू द थिंग दैट एवरीबडी, जैसे होता है ना कि आप बैलेंस शीट आपके बिना CA के साइन करे नहीं जाएगी, और CA वो होगा जिससे सर्टिफिकेट दिया, गवर्नमेंट का सर्टिफिकेट कि इंडिया का CA, और अगर उसकी वजह से कुछ गलत हुआ है तो आप कर सकते हो, उसका लाइसेंस जा सकता है। वैसे जैसे भी आप अपनी कंपनी को रजिस्टर करो, यू शुड बी एबल टू सिलेक्ट अ कोच, और आप उस कोच के साथ जाओगे, कोच क्वार्टरली फिगर्स बताएगा कि आपके माइंडसेट का एक अलग कोच होगा बिजनेस, उसके बिना आपको मझधार में अकेले जाने की परमिशन ही नहीं देनी चाहिए। आई डोंट थिंक पीपल शुड बी अलाउड टू गो एट लाइफ अलोन।
I think you mentioned this in the Rajamani's
I did,
podcast
I did,
also, that
yeah.
every entrepreneur
100%।
should have a coach.
बिकॉज जैसे
when they
हम लोग जो बातें कर रहे हैं कि लोगों को ऐसे करना चाहिए, जो लोग सुन रहे हैं, मैं सोच रहा हूँ बोलेंगे कर सकता तो मैं कर ही देता ना। तो ये, एंड पीपल कैन सिलेक्ट टू वर्क विद एनी ऑफ यूएस कोचेस, बट द थिंग इज इट शुड बिकम मैंडेटरी कि करो, कि किसी के साथ करो, गो बैक टू योर स्कूल डेज, कि सबके पास एक टीचर होना है। आप क्या पढ़ रहे हो? मैं गिटार, मैं ड्रामा और व्हाटएवर, फिल्म डायरेक्शन और व्हाटएवर। अच्छा, हु इज योर प्रोफेसर? पीपल यूज्ड टू टेक प्राइड कि मेरे कॉलेज में ये प्रोफेसर है। आज हम उनसे पूछते हो आप जिंदगी जी रहे हो आप who's guiding you? Nobody. जिनसे कर रहा हूँ वो तो कंपैरिजन है, बाकियों को मैं हेट करता हूँ और कुछ तो पेरेंट ट्रॉमा इश्यूज हैं, तो भाई तू अकेले तो हो नहीं रहा ना, और नहीं हो रहा है एट द एज ऑफ 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 हो ही नहीं रहा है, सो खत्म। हाँ खत्म।
Sorry, that any person needs a mentor in life.
100%.
The central to us becoming happy is a mentor-disciple relationship. That's what you're trying to say.
आई एम सेइंग दैट फर्स्टली अगर मेरे को जैसे हमने अपने आप से भी बात करनी है ना, कि अपने आप से बात करके, तो उसके लिए भी कोई चाहिए एक मीडिएटर, कि तो अपने आप से क्या बात करी, क्या बात हुई, आप लोगों ने एक दूसरे से क्या बोला, नहीं ये गलत है, इसको अगर तू ऐसे रीफ्रेमिंग लाइक वी कॉल इट इन कोचिंग,
Asking the right question.
आस्किंग द राइट क्वेश्चन, वो क्वेश्चन ही गलत पूछ रहे हैं, एंड यू नो लाइक हमने कहा सर्टिफिकेट मिलना चाहिए, लाइक दीज आर आइडियल सिचुएशन, एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट इट कभी हो भी जाती है, यू नेवर नो कि पेरेंटिंग का भी सर्टिफिकेट मिलना चाहिए, नाउ यू कैन बिकम अ पेरेंट। आप
Just say that. I
Thank you.
was
अब आप बड़े हो गए हो, वो पेरेंट बन सकते हैं।
No. I was saying ki it's funny that you bring this up because I wanted to say ki imagine if parenting came with like a certification. Like, you know, in an ideal world, if we had like a list of questionnaires, every parent had a therapist, and you had to like had levels, and uske baad only you were accredited to be like, ab tum parent banne ke like you. The world would be different, I feel, because when I go back, I feel like talking about happiness, the layers to it, the first layer to it comes down to what? It comes down to self-worth. Self-worth comes down to parenting. So I was just telling him that he said, we were sitting there right in the beginning, and he was telling his son, he was telling me something about his son, ki, you know, I wish I could be as good as him. And something like that. And I wanted to tell him in that moment that you have no idea the amount of self-worth that kid is going to grow up with. Because when you are talking to your kid in that language, you are instilling in instilling something in him which he will carry for the rest of his life. And that's where the happiness comes from, because we are talking about validation. We are
There's very lovely anecdote, you know.
sorry, I'll just finish
Yeah,
this. We are talking about validation. We are talking about things like comparison. We are talking about all of these things. Ki happiness, you know, iska unlayering, it goes back to this. But where is that coming from? It all boils down to self-worth. If a person can be in a situation where he has the option to compare, but he chooses not to,
Yeah.
or if he has the option to, even when you were talking about misery or sadness, right? I feel like there is definitely happiness in sadness and in misery. Why? Because, so for example, the last 4 5 months, for example, I went through a very difficult time. There were days, like 8 to 10 days, I guess, at the beginning of it, where I could not get out of bed. And I was just thinking about this podcast one before coming here and everything. And I was thinking about that the only thing that kept me sane in that moment, or was that light, was the fact that I had that faith in me that, you know what, the moment I want to bounce back, bounce back.
Yeah.
That faith and that belief comes again from self-worth. Yeah. And the only thing that I was able to survive through that was that I was in, and you know what, the important thing is ये देखना कि जब हम उस phase में हैं, उस zone में हैं, उस time पर to not push yourself to be like, अरे, you know, do something to make yourself happy. Do some, not feel it.
आइसक्रीम बना सकते होते हैं, आइसक्रीम
If it makes you happy. मैंने क्या किया नहीं करा, मैंने क्या की नहीं करा.
That candle bar put stars. अपन लीक करके तुम
But before I reached that point जहाँ पर मैं ये सोच सकती थी कि एक आइसक्रीम खाने से भी शायद मुझे खुशी मिले, मेरे लिए just being in bed for 8 days and not eating, not just breathing.
give yourself the permission to go through that phase the way it's happening.
Exactly.
Fear कि तुम फेल हो जाओ सारे सब्जेक्ट में.
चलेगा.
Yes.
But
Exactly. It is allowed.
That's why a coach is so important, right, Avi? Like, I always say this to my clients, right? I like, see, you don't understand why a coach is so important. Like, why? I said, can you see your own eyes? They're like, yeah, I can see them in the mirror. I said, wo chhalawa hai. That's a mirage. You cannot see your own eyes. That's the first fact about life. You cannot see your own eyes. It doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter how much money you have in your life, you will not be able to see your own eyes. And a coach does exactly that for you. Is that he shows you exactly what the truth is. Be it positive, be it negative, what's going right, what's going wrong. If there is not anyone who can tell you something to your face saying, boss, yahan pe galat ho raha hai. How will you ever be able to find, okay, I know that this is where I am, something is going wrong for me. Even when you said, right, that, okay, I was going through a very rough phase in my life. I'm sure at one point in time, Ishpreet, someone must have told you that it's okay, have faith in yourself, something will work out for you. Yes? So what that one person would have come to your mind at the point in time. Imagine no one said that to you.
Yeah.
You would be lost.
But no, but that's what I'm saying. That I get that, that support is everything. But imagine if you didn't have that. वहां पर difference आता है कि when you have that self faith and self belief कि the moment I want to bounce back I can bounce back, and then that comes to what has been given to you by your parents, the kind of confidence that
100%.
उस situation में पता चलता है what is your
Oh.
truth.
Like when I met, when I met Gary Vee, I don't know how many people are fans of his, but
I love it.
because we were just talking abhi in the last podcast, because as communities are growing and a lot of people are forgetting who kaun Gary Vee, so we started checking. So I was able to get a 20-minute meeting with him. It lasted into 2 hours, and we did a podcast and all that. Nothing was planned, but it happened, and we had multiple meetings, and I've always loved the guy. One of the things that we connected on was, I had written our notes, right? Because I wanted to connect with the person. But I had written our notes which were authentically going to connect me with him. One of the things was, I said my mom lied throughout her life, saying that when I talk, she gets mesmerized and she loves to listen. And I used to stammer. She said, oh my God, लाइन लगा के लोग वेट करेंगे तो बातें कैसे, क्या बात कर रहे हो, स्कूल में तो स्कूल उल्टा होता है यार, कैसे हो सकता है? Throughout, one of the reasons I became, started speaking and all of these, because मतलब ये तो मैंने मान दिया, ये मान दिया इस बात को, stammering खत्म हुई, सब कुछ हुआ. So we used to go for speech therapy classes. She used to go inside, and मतलब पहले I used to go inside, then used to go inside, and Rama, she's like, oh my God, doctor is saying, इसको क्यों लाते हो? तो दूसरों को टाइम दे दिया करो. I said, मतलब खत्म. I like that. She lied throughout, जैसे आप कह रहे हो ना, she lied throughout to be able to, and even now she does. She's here only in Goa right now, and so I keep telling, and I was having this discussion with her once. I was like, जैसे आपने बोला ना, I'm sure it's such a,
That's another style of coaching, actually.
that's another side of coaching. So I said, I don't, and I believe this, and Kushra Bas, I wanted to talk about this. It just came out right now, that I had a conversation with her. I said, like, I know, as we grow older, I'm going to be 50 years old, people are losing their parents and all that. But I'm so close to my parents, and both of them keep guiding me left, right, left, don't know. And as I said, I learned both things from you. क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना. There are some things about you that really irritate me, और मैं ये नहीं, और मैं नहीं कर. अच्छा, ये कौन सी बात है? मतलब इतने सालों के बाद हमको ये सुनने को मिल रहा है कि कुछ रह गया है? I said, हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत बातें हैं, but we talk about it when we have to talk about it. But the thing is, I had a conversation with her one day, and I said, you know what, मेरे को एक चीज़ की बहुत घबराहट हो रही है. And when I was a child, I used to tell her, I used to go to her, and I remember I used to tell her कि Sunday night को घबराहट होती थी, क्योंकि मंडे है, कल फिर बुरी होऊंगा. तो डर होता था किस बात का, कोई एग्जाम तो नहीं रह गया या कुछ है, क्या रह गया. वो डर के मारे ये नहीं समझ आता था कौन से सब्जेक्ट में क्या रह गया. सो आई यूज्ड टू टेल हर, ऐसे डरने की बात तो नहीं है. सो यूज्ड टू सिट डाउन विद मी, सिर क्या हुआ, मैथ्स ये एक एक चीज़ देखते थे, नहीं सर ये होमवर्क हो गया, वो कल का एग्जाम, तो कोई डरने की बात नहीं है. बट ये वाली बात नहीं बताता था, बुलिंग वाली, क्योंकि वो तो छुपा के रखता था कि किसी तरीके से आप ही पकड़ के बोल दो कल स्कूल नहीं जाना, वो हो नहीं पाता था. बट आई दैट टाइम द वर्ड एंग्जाइटी वाज नॉट एटलीस्ट इन माय वोकैबुलरी. सो हम यही बोलते हैं, डरने की कोई बात तो नहीं. सो अबाउट 2 years बैक आई हैड अ कन्वर्सेशन विद, आई सेड, शी सेड, वो ऐसे, मैंने कहा आपको याद है वो डरने वाली कोई बात नहीं थी. शी सेड, कुछ कहना चाहते हो? हाँ, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मुझे फिर से डर लग रहा है. तो शी सेड, किस बारे में डर लग रहा है? मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम सो, everybody has a coach and I have you, but you've not taught me how to live without you. So what will happen? And she's always said that she's 75. She said that she wants to become a coach to help people die. Because when she helped her 85-year-old mother die, she was like, Mummy, hun tusi chale jao. It's okay, ho jana, all of that. So she said, that was beautiful. She said, I feel it's the best thing to do to help people go and all of that. She's very passionate about that. I said, you know, I'm sure you can do it. But I said, you're 75. I hope you live till 95. And everything happened, but in between अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाए तो like how should we, so we created some code words that I will say this and you will say this and wherever you are we'll connect and all of that. So I don't know why I'm saying this on this, but I just feel that if there are coaches कहीं भी मिल जाए ना, तो उनसे ज़रूरी नहीं है बात करना बैठ के, वो आपके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट राइट आपको कर रहे होते हैं, लेफ्ट हो जा, राइट हो जा. समटाइम लाइक चुप हो जाओ यार, मुझे अपना करने दो, बट दे लाइक हमने तो कुछ बोले नहीं. हाँ,
Steering the direction.
हाँ,
Yeah.
exactly.
In fact, I think, what you just said, what Ishpreet said, one thing which I really feel, in fact, what Sagar also said, एक जो हमने coaches की बात की, and I always believe that, see, even the best of the coaches have their own coaches, right? While I coach people, I also have people
100%.
I go to.
100%.
And as you rightly mentioned, these people, even if you're not talking to, वो घूम रहे हैं सर पे। जब हम कुछ कर रहे हैं, अरे यार ये अभी ना इस चीज के लिए am I in the right direction? They are not here, but you are being guided by them in some way or the other. Plus, second, what she mentioned about the having the parenting effect. I think I completely second her because as you mentioned, you were bullied. So मुझे तो bully term भी नहीं पता था। मतलब मैं bully होती थी, मुझे नहीं पता वो bully होना होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि जैसा आपने बोला आपकी मम्मी आपको तारीफ करती थी कि आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो। मुझे घर पे बोला जाता था अरे मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ, बहुत मस्त हूँ, इतनी परफेक्ट, मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है। आई बिलीव्ड बिकॉज पेरेंट ही सही बोलेगा ना, तुम्हारे बाकी कौन सही बोलेगा? पेरेंट के ऊपर विश्वास था, वही हमने माना। तो भले दोस्त कुछ कह रहे हैं, थ्रू आउट आई हैव हर्ड इतने वर्ड्स। वो तो जब आई थिंक व्हेन आई टर्न्ड अराउंड 20 आई रियलाइज्ड कि अरे मेरे साथ बचपन में ये हुआ। तब तक तो वो अनजान थे, उस दिशा से ही अनजान थे। लाइफ इज परफेक्ट भाई, रीच होम। बेटा पेपर कैसा गया? मदर्स क्वेश्चन वाज पेपर कैसा था? माय फादर वुड इतने अच्छे स्कूल में डाला, पेपर तो अच्छा ही रहेगा ना। That's how my father would reply. And then he would be like, मम्मी पूछेंगी नंबर कैसे आए? इसने तो अच्छा लिखा था, हैंडराइटिंग टीचर को समझ नहीं आई, कोई बात नहीं। एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट, यू आर हियर, हैप्पी, एंजॉय। तो मेरी लाइफ में वो हैप्पीनेस जो है ना, इट वॉज बाई डिफॉल्ट। कुछ हो रहा है, तुम्हें तुम्हारे दोस्त कुछ बुला रहे हैं, नंबर अच्छे नहीं आए, अच्छे आ गए, रिजल्ट आ गया, तो ऐसा भी नहीं अरे ये वो भी नहीं था, आ गया गुड, नहीं आया गुड। एम आई डूइंग? The most important question was, are you participating?
Right.
Are you part of it? You wanted to do, are you doing it? You did not wanted to do, sit.
You know, when I was in school, I used to play table tennis, and there's a friend of mine who was 10 times better than me. तो हमारा पेपर में नाम आया था अगले दिन, क्योंकि वो जीता था और मैं 2 टॉप लोगों से हारा था। मेरा 2 बार नाम आया, उससे 1 बार नाम आया था।
हारने स्टैंडर्ड
Optimism, right, exactly. Because that's what my mom told me. Because I said, Mom, next day ना समीर का बोल आया, तो आज 2 बार आया।
But I think what role she played in your life was she instilled the belief in you that you know when you speak, people are going to receive you, and that's what happens,
Yeah.
right?
Parents are going wrong actually.
I totally agree with
They are the most critical to their children. They're in fact, you know what? Both of you actually said something which should really come out is because parents need to be the coach. And you know, if you see the greatest people and if you read their lives, किसी ने विश्वास नहीं किया, दुल्हन ने विश्वास नहीं किया, स्कूल में they are dumb, you know, duffer. Anybody, you pick up, you know, Edison's story or Einstein's story, but their mothers always believed in that. I mean, that's the joy, you know, of having parents, you know, that kind of parents and that kind of parenting. But the exact opposite happens. When a parent takes everything around him as a competition, he's teaching his children the same thing कि भैया survive करना है तुझे सबसे आगे निकलना है। Now you can use any amount of means, you know, कुछ भी कर ले, but तेरे को by hook or crook आगे जाना है। And if the child is not able to do it, then all hell break loose. Then all, you know, then you will say the meanest thing to your child, thinking that मैं ये बोलूँगा तो शायद I'll be able to push the child. And that's where parents go wrong.
One thing, Aunty भाई,
और वैसे पेरेंट वैसे ही बॉस भी बनते हैं।
नहीं, why you know this happens? क्यों करते हैं? Again, comparison. क्यों आज के टाइम पे आप देखो, जब पेरेंट्स, जब भी मैं बच्चे को स्कूल लेने जाती हूँ एंड आई हियर व्हाट पेरेंट्स आर टॉकिंग, उनकी बातें ये है कि तुम्हारे बेटे का कितना है, अरे क्या करना है यार, तू अपने बच्चे, कम है लाइफ में चीजें, कंपटीशन है कि तुम अच्छा करोगे तो मेरा बेटा अच्छा किया।
ये ना ये मैंने नोटिस किया है, ये बीच के ये क्या है कि नॉर्मली मैंने अपने आप से बैट करता हूँ कि व्हाट कैन आई से, नॉर्मली जब कोई ऐसे पेरेंट्स होते हैं ना, मुझे पता लग जाता है कि वो कब उन्होंने या तो पैसे नहीं बना रहे, उनकी इनसिक्योरिटी है, या उन्होंने अभी नया पैसा बनाया, उनको डर रहे खो जाएगा। एक पुराना खानदानी रईस होगा, बोलेगा मेरा बेटा कर लेगा, तू फिक्र मत कर,
और तू कुछ
हो जाए,
करेगा तो भी अपन
हम कर देंगे। वो एक अलग वबरी नहीं
Because
होती।
people are associated with one word,
Yeah.
that is unbothered. I feel the happiest people are the most unbothered people. उनको सिर्फ खुद से मतलब है, in the best way. उनको अपने काम से मतलब है, उनको अपनी progress से, अपनी success से, अपनी growth से मतलब है। Like they have no time. They have no time कि भाई whose grass is greener, because I'm too focused on mine, right?
watering your own plant.
Exactly. So again comes down to the same exact thing कि when you bring your focus back to yourself, when you're so content, when you're following those feelings, when you're doing what you want to do, not what you should do analytically, because लोग बोल रहे हैं, दुनिया बोल रही है, parents बोल रहे हैं, कितने लोग डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, पता नहीं क्या क्या बन जाते हैं, and then what? Like I remember this story. So after my MBA, okay, the first job that I landed, Everybody was going to these companies jinka 7, 8, 9, 10 lakh ka package and everything, all fancy things. And I knew कि I'm not meant for that cabin kind of a job. So मुझे ये था कि भाई I will not be happy there. Like मेरे को पैसे नहीं खुश करेंगे. I went for the lowest package in my college. मैंने इतने पैसे दे के MBA करा and then I literally had to call my dad. I was like, listen, I'm going here. Like 2.5 lakh का कुछ package था. And I was like, I'm going here and I want to do this for myself and I want you to know that I'm doing this for me and this is what will make me happy. अगर मैंने उस मोमेंट में ये चूज कर लिया होता कि भाई बिकॉज ऑफ पीयर प्रेशर, बिकॉज ऑफ लुकिंग ग्लैमरस एंड एवरीथिंग, 3 साल बाद आई हैड लाइक मल्टीप्लाइड इन ग्रोथ. और वो जो लोग थे दे आर सिटिंग देयर इन द सेम पोजिशंस क्राइंग, मतलब अपनी मिजरी में कि भाई कितना बुरा हमारा जॉब है, वी आर सल्किंग एंड एवरीथिंग. I always prioritize what I feel I should do. What I want to do rather than what I should do and what people think कि मुझे
But
ये
ये भी
करना
लोगों
चाहिए.
ये भी ढूंढना मुश्किल है बहुत लोगों के लिए. They need a coach for this. कि मैं what do you want? Like my coach always continuously whenever I ask him, we're setting up an office or we're doing this, he says he tries to take it back to what is it that I want. He can't tell me what I want. He's asking me. I said he said then if you want this, then won't this make you even busier? If I say, मुझे ना in the next 1 year I want to spend more time with the family, and then I call him and I'm saying what will be another office, he'll just ask, do you think this is going with your, then you think about it.
I love that and that is very very helpful. But I'll tell you one thing. I do this with me all the time and I help people with this all the time. I just ask them one question, ठीक है? So I feel like the biggest myth is कि लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि हमें नहीं पता हमें क्या चाहिए, ठीक है? But it's not that they don't know what they want. It's the fact कि they don't have the courage to ask for what they want because of the beliefs, because of the conditioning, because of the.
They don't have the courage to ask of themselves.
नहीं, तो जैसे मान लो अगर
ये announce नहीं कर सकते दुनिया को.
yeah, like if for let's say a person who does not know his purpose in life, okay, they don't know what they want to do in life, you go up to that person and you ask them कि तुम्हें क्या करना है life में and everything, and they're like यार पता है नहीं पता मुझे, I don't know what I want to do. But if I ask that person that listen, imagine in an ideal world if there is a genie standing in front of you saying कि every word that comes out of your mouth right now for the next 1 minute would come true, do you think you will tell that genie यार पता कल आना मुझे नहीं पता थी? You will say exactly what you want. You will drop all that conditioning.
आपके जीनी के आप क्या बोलते हैं? What?
मैंने तो यही बोला था. मैंने अपने पहले जॉब के टाइम पर I think
And
second.
today, if the genie comes to you right now, what will be your thing? Because I'm sure you recalibrate a lot of things that you're doing right now. Because even now we are all compromised. तो अब क्या बोलोगे आप? Let's do that.
If a genie came to me, ask me what would I truly want, I would say, so I'm here on level 1 of freedom, let's say. I would say level 3. And I'm not saying just financial freedom. I am saying freedom of like having the choice to spend as much time as with my family if I want, spend as much as I want, go wherever in the world I want, do whatever, just having the choice. And I'm so blessed कि अभी भी मेरे पास वो freedom है. But I still need to work. At this point, I'm still at a position जब calm is still, calm is not a thing कि now it's coming from a need. I want to reach a place where it comes from just a place of, what, I want to just make a difference. अगर मैं काम नहीं भी करूँ, तो भी I have a choice. कि अगर मुझे 1 साल काम नहीं करना है and I just want to spend that time, quality time with my family. I want to explore the world. I want to do this.
Also, you still wouldn't do that. You still continue to.
That is true. That is true. That is true.
That
is true. That comes back.
What would you do if the genie, she's sending a genie to everyone today?
I mean, my hearts of heart, I was thinking the same thing. I'm right now able to reach out to a few people, make a difference to their life. I think it brings me a lot of joy. I feel very nice. I feel bliss. I would probably ask him to give me probably the power to reach out to as many people as possible. Yeah, just to reach out to as many people. I think that's one. 2, probably if I can have the power to go back in time and probably spend more time with my dad. That's something that I would want to do. Because I was always very busy and he wanted to spend a lot of time with me. And when I lost him, I realized one of the things that one rule that I didn't realize in life was that people, like when you were talking about your own parents, I could really connect there. That I wish I had understood that his time was very limited and I could have spent more time with him. It's not fixing something going back. I don't want to fix anything, no matter how terrible as a son I was. Probably have more time with him. So I think 2 things, just probably go back and have a great time with him, more time with him, and probably Danvi Padajata, I didn't mind. You know, as long as he's there, you know, the joy of having the parent next to you is something else. You know, it's like a different. The कहते हैं ना shade होती है कलर तरह की. And the other one is to reach out to as many people as possible, probably to learn as much as possible. There's so much of exchange happening between me and other people. It's, you know, I feel that we as humans, the more we grow inside, you know, understand things, understand people, develop empathy, the more we are not threatened by others, the more love we share. Like in this whole conversation, it's like friends talking to each other. It's so much fun. Yeah. In the evening, me and my friends, we get together and we chill and we talk nonsense, but it doesn't make sense. But we are together.
80% चीजें हम 50 बार पहले भी बोल सकते हैं.
So they're very exactly.
The same stories keep on repeating.
Exactly. So the very joy of connections. If I
And
can
a
have
similar
as many
mindset,
as
I guess, right? Because
I don't care if it's a different mindset. You know, what do you learn from people like you? Nothing. I want different kind of people. I mean, I'm right now listening to each one of you so clearly. So many things I've just learned, and I've got to probably take it and tweak it and you know, use it in my own mind. You know, fill the gaps, bits and pieces, creates a new narrative. Teach other people, learn. You know,
and through your own experience, I don't.
की बारी. तो जी की
Sorry, I just what he just said. Here, I just want to add one scene. In that list, I forgot that. नहीं बस एक लास्ट चीज बस मुझे ये ऐड करना है कि I really want this to be taught in schools when you're 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up until 7 years. Actually, पूरे school curriculum में like that manifestation, belief system, the power to create your own reality. मुझे बस ये लगता है कि अगर बचपन में हमें बता दिया गया होता ना, हम एकदम like people would be more like, you know, the embodiment that you show कि ये मेरा childhood ऐसा था जो भी था. That would be the childhood and that would be the upbringing, that would be the confidence. Okay, bye. So what I would like to add to his point, I actually loved what he said because I learned this from my mentor and I believe I had a very difficult childhood. Unlike you, I was not connected. When I look back, I had an absent father. So I have always looked up to women in my family and I felt that they have been imposing what I said earlier also. I will stand by that I have been imposed to become a homemaker. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it wasn't my choice. I wasn't doing it by choice. It was totally being passed
to
on
have
to
that
me.
choice, right? That's
Yes.
something very.
It was being passed on to me because I was seeing generations of people doing the same thing and I never wanted to do that. अगर बन भी जाती, बहुत बुरी housewife बनती. I am sure of it. So I never wanted to do that. And I decided one day, and being an alcoholic, just spoiling my life, looking at people, I one day randomly realized manifestation is, at that point of time, it came into my life, tarot, manifestation, all the spiritual modalities. And it came to my life and it hit me hard. What am I doing with my own life? I've got one life, right? One single life, and I'm wasting it on things which don't even matter. And that's the point of change in my life. I realized that now I'm not going to repeat the same mistake, not just for myself, but I'm going to empower people. And that actually became my purpose. And I found my purpose on the way. It wasn't instilled in me. I found it on the way. And I never realized. I did my first session with 9 people in my class. And I realized I cried for hours after that. Why? For 2 reasons. I realized I did very bad because I was not confident enough. I wasn't a good speaker at all, still learning. But at that time, I used to ask my sister to go to McDonald's to order. I was that bad. And I realized कि यार बहुत बुरा किया है. The another thing that I realized is कर लिया. एक बार हो गया, 2 बार हो जाएगा, तीसरी बार भी हो जाएगा. और सीख ही लेंगे. And we are learning every single moment. He rightly said, no, यहाँ बैठ के इतने सारे points हम एक दूसरे से सीख रहे हैं.
अब जीनी आ गया आपके पास, बताइए.
So I am already, just like she said, I'm already living my dream life. मेरा purpose इतना clear हो गया मुझे that I want to create a healer in every house. हर घर एक healer चाहिए ही है because I feel world actually needs that. And by healer, I don't mean a Reiki healer, a tarot reader. I mean a healer, holistic healer who understands what they're doing with their life because we are made up of, you know, those 5 centimeter में जो हमारे लोग होते हैं ना, they impact us. They impact us a lot.
You know, when I was growing up, I had, ये सब बाद में, over the last few years, we started remembering, हम भूल जाते थे. But my grandfather used to send us अब I can call it spiritual coach or spiritual teacher. कोई ना कोई गुरुजी आते थे and we used to say क्या ये टेक्स्ट के बारे में समझाना, किसके बारे में समझाना. And one of them was Sudhanshu Ji Maharaj. He's a big person. He was starting off at that time in his journey of Adhyatma. He was my teacher. Today I'm proud. I haven't met him 30 years. बट दोस्त टीचर जैसे ना ये इनको भी हमको मैंडेटरी कर देना चाहिए. जो चीज़ मैंडेटरी होगी वो होगी. तो भी हमारे पास एक somebody should come for your gym guys should come home. इंडिया में तो सब urban ladder वगैरह everything is amazing. घर पे ही सब हो सकता है. Have a nice office at home. You don't have to travel. Have all these teachers, coaches coming home and then आप घर से निकलो. सुबह अपना mindset वगैरह सब ठीक करके.
पर आज भी ये इंडस्ट्री बड़ी अंडररेटेड है एंड इट्स अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड आई वुड से. जैसे इशप्रीत ने बोला कि इट शुड बी मैंडेटरी इन स्कूल्स. व्हाई इट शुड बी मैंडेटरी? बिकॉज वी डोंट रियलाइज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इट राइट नाउ एंड वी आर kind of conditioned to lead our life subconsciously. I won't say subconsciously, but unconsciously we are conditioned by our parents to lead an unconscious life.
You know, like slowly ऐसा अभी परसों मैंने देखा some articles they said that medical students के लिए योगा compulsory हो रहा है. So one by one हो रहा है. सबके लिए होना चाहिए. 100%.
As डॉक्टर्स के साथ होना चाहिए. डॉक्टर्स नो लाइक मोर अबाउट
Pero no para. Up to you ना होगा.
we taught in us
Be very honest.
like trigonometry, Pythagoras, ये सब कहाँ
Seriously, that वो मुझे लगा जान के मेरे को लगता था कि मेरे लिए जान के दिखाया जा रहा है ताकि मेरे को नीचा दिखाने के लिए. इतनी कोशिश करने के बाद भी समझ नहीं आ रहा तुम जान के कर रहे हो मेरे साथ.
पूछती हूँ.
नहीं, आपको पता है मैंने कॉलेज में क्या डिसाइड किया, क्या पढ़ने का क्यों डिसाइड किया? मैंने सिर्फ इतना पूछा, मुझे बताओ फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री ये सब कहाँ छूट रहा है? इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ना है, साइंस में पढ़ना है. मैंने बोला करना ही नहीं है. बताओ मेरे को फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री की किताब नहीं आनी चाहिए पास में. तो पता चला मैनेजमेंट का एक कोर्स. माय मदर फाउंड इट आउट. ओके, शी वाज एन एविड रीडर. शी सेड देयर इज वन कोर्स बट यू हैव टू गिव एग्जाम. इट्स 5-year integrated MBA/MS. I said what is MBA/MS? She said it's management science. I said okay. साइंस है मगर उसमें फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री कुछ आएगा? बोलती नहीं, मैनेजमेंट साइंस है, उसमें तुम्हें ये नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा. मैंने श्योर. आई सेड डन, लेट्स गो, लेट्स डू इट. आई वाज नॉट नोइंग मैं क्या करने जा रही हूँ. मुझे तब कोई आइडिया नहीं था बट आई वाज वेरी क्लियर मुझे क्या नहीं करना है. समटाइम्स दैट आल्सो हेल्प्स. क्या नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें अगर क्लियर है, दैट रियली हेल्प्स एंड इन माय लाइफ दैट हैज हेल्प्ड.
तो अभी जीनी आपके पास है, माइक आपके पास है, तो आप बताइए.
अगर जिनी अभी मेरे पास आएगा, आ गया, मेरे को बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए. आई एम गोइंग टू बी ग्रीडी. One, I need a lot of courage. Okay, I have a lot, but I still need a lot of courage to be able to do a lot of things that I want to do. One. Two, what Jitesh mentioned, to have that capacity to reach out to as many, and I think I'm doing it in my own way, but I always believe there is a scope to do more and to reach out more. So to that. Three, I want to have that flexibility, as Ishpreet mentioned, of the choice. So yeah, because and to be able to make that choice, right? Which I believe again I'm doing, but to have that more. So whatever I'm talking is more of these things, because why? A, the courage allows you to be. The courage allows you to take those difficult paths. I left my stable public sector banking job. I was working with State Bank as a probationary officer. I joined them. I quit after 8 years, and till date, it has been more than 6 years, 7 years now. Still, my customers call and ask me to confirm, आपने सच में छोड़ा है क्या? Because India में नहीं believe होता है लोगों को अभी भी, पता नहीं क्यों.
फिक्स था सब कुछ, पेंशन वेंशन.
To know what you do now.
हाँ, so I am like, you need courage. Of course, you need courage, right? Of course, you need courage. Second,
So proud.
you need that flexibility of choice. Why? Like you were saying, you know, कि बच्चे का PTM है. My daughter had her PTM. This is the first time I'm not there for her PTM. But you know what? There is no guilt. In India, it's so easy to relate guilt with everything. अरे तुम यहाँ नहीं हो. अरे तुम मम्मी कैसी माँ हो? अच्छी माँ हो भाई. मेरी बेटी सीख रही है कि काम है important. I want her to teach that. है ना? मुझे ये नहीं मैं उसके PTM में जाके am I adding value to the PTM? I will know her result. Any which way report card मिला है, मुझे result पता चल जाएगा. Rest, the teacher is there. She's not going away. I can speak to her. I know what I need to do. That flexibility of choice. And in today's time, I feel it is available.
बट इतना एक्सप्लेनेशन भी नहीं था. सबसे ज्यादा मजा इसमें कहने में है कि नहीं आ रही और बस समझाओ.
It's a choice.
Let that person feel.
No, but पता है अभी, you know what's the funniest part? Your teachers are not asking. People closest to you are asking. तुम गोवा जा रही हो? बिकॉज गोवा किससे एसोसिएटेड है? नहीं, है ना? तो मैंने यही किया, बैग उठाया। आप गोवा को आप किसके साथ एसोसिएट करते हो? अगेन योर assumptions, योर माइंडसेट. People still don't realize what you do, why you do. And somewhere I believe that understanding to see through others' lenses in your own way. I respect what you are doing. I love what you are doing. You are happy doing it. Please do it. I respect that. But no, is it really what you want to do? That conscience. मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. My daughter knows it enough. As you rightly said, I don't need to give explanation.
Yeah.
And again, you need courage for that. You need courage for that. A lot of times it might become difficult, but as you said, conditioning, right? And it's okay. क्या हो जाएगा? Am I happy? Am I happy being here? Oh, I am loving it. I am loving meeting all these people, meeting you. In fact, all these people as well.
Yeah.
Right? It gives me so much happiness. ये कहीं से आ नहीं रहा है. ये आपके थ्रू नहीं आ रहा है, आपके थ्रू नहीं आ रहा, आपके थ्रू नहीं आ रहा. ये मेरे अंदर है. I'm finding that way to bring it out. And I'm loving it here.
You know, that is exactly why I was going to get this forward before. Ki happiness, when it boils down to a combined word.
You don't.
I was going to say this earlier कि जब हम सब बात कर रहे थे, I felt like what Megleen said, what Anamika said, everyone, like, it just summed up beautifully in the way कि it boils down to one word, which is कि happiness is always going to be a decision. It is going to be a choice. It's going to be a decision, because we were talking about how these successful people and, you know, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें ये मिल जाएगा, वो मिल जाएगा and everything. And there are people who have everything. But somebody who is probably 100 times not financially as rich as them, they are probably 100 times more happier than them, because wherever they are in their journey, they are making a choice, they are making a decision. So through the journey, through the sadness, through everything, you can look at everything and you can be like, कोई मुझे बाहर से तो देने नहीं वाला है, कोई external source है नहीं. It is going to be a decision. If I want to be happy, I will be happy. Actually, one of your something you posted in the broadcast channel of yours, it really grounded me in that moment, because I don't know, I was stressing that day about just some random shit I was stressing about. And he just posted something on his stories, actually, where he said I woke up today and I'm so blessed and I'm happy. And in that moment, I was just looking and I was like, snap out. Ground yourself back. What are you doing? You are alive and you are here. Decide. Let's make a conscious decision.
One of my classmates died last week. So I was like, bro, I'm don't mind. Good things are happening.
Ishpreet, what you said hit me very hard, and I would like to just put one very beautiful anecdote that, so both of us, we run a community, right? And this is one thing that we talk about happiness. One thing that we always talk about. There's this one scene in the movie called Soul. It's an English movie called Soul. There's this big fish and a small fish, right? Now the small fish goes to the big fish and says, hey, I'm looking for the ocean. Where is it? The big fish is like, the ocean, yahi pe to hai. The small is, no, this is just water. I'm looking for the ocean. Where is it? And the big fish just smiles. The point being what you said, right? That happiness is a decision. More like happiness is right here. You believe it's not there.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
And you're searching for it. I don't know where. And as long as you keep searching for it, you will never find it. But if you actually look at it, it's just right there in front of your eyes. It's beautifully there. Except that in that search, you're missing out the whole point of living a beautiful life.
You're missing out on the cross. Whoever has not seen that movie, you should see that book.
That scene, Ishpreet, it's so stuck in my mind. It's like, this is one thing I tell everyone I meet. Bhai, tum samjho ye cheez ko, that there is so much around you.
And there was another scene in that movie where this guy is chasing something for his entire life. Okay, he wants to play with this very famous singer and everything, and his pura matlab uski life revolves around this one thing. Ki jaisi mujhe ye milega, the day I perform with her, I will be like, I would have made it. Aisa. So uski puri life iske aaspaas revolve hoti hai. And then when he gets that opportunity and when he's finally able to do that and he's in the moment and it's done, you know what he says? He's telling this to somebody next to him and he's like, हो गया, यही था. This is how I was supposed to feel. मतलब, what changed? Nothing changed. Because he was chasing that feeling for so long कि मुझे जैसी मैं वहाँ पहुँचूंगा तब मुझे मिल जाएगा.
वो what is that? वो जो कंठ, वो मृग के कंठ में जो वो होता है,
Yes, exactly.
That Kasturi. So वो ढूंढ रहा होता है पूरे जंगल में.
So it is
Yeah.
the musk is in the within the
Right.
Upure Amul.
हाँ, that is such a beautiful story.
That's is about divinity, you know,
Yeah.
that we are looking for divinity, happiness, and all those things that are outside. Like in the beginning of the conversation, I said we have the happiness is very skewed. Because the idea is very twisted because we feel happiness is outside of us. A relationship will make me happy. A group, you know, friends will make me happy, or someone else would make me happy. You know, we are born, and like somebody here said that. Yeah, somebody here said that we are born. Now imagine the phone is also joining the conversation. Yeah. So somebody here said that we were born. I think you said it. We were born with happiness. Yeah. You know, if you see a little child, he's practically naked, running here and there, chilling. He's not worried about anything. He's oozing confidence. You know, and then you grow up, and then society starts.
नहीं ग्रो अप ही नहीं, बच्चे कहते हैं अरमानी के डायपर पहनाओ इसको अभी से.
Seen some parents saying stuff like that. मैं तो अपने बच्चों को सिर्फ यही देता हूँ. Like I said कि तुम्हारा बच्चा ये पहन लेगा तो क्या छोटा हो जाएगा किसी से? That's the kind of we try to.
You see, you go to Armani or all of these places, kids section है. Kids section? मतलब 8,000 रुपए की छोटी सी टी शर्ट.
Expensive shoes for children जिनके पैर practically grow every second.
talk about I know kids जो लोग actually बोलते हैं ब्रांड के अलावा कुछ नहीं पहनते. I'm like कौन सा ब्रांड पता है? वो नाम भी एक ही ब्रांड का पता होगा क्योंकि वही देखा है अभी. बट ब्रांड ही पहनना है. Good. See, I'm not saying that's bad. But then to be
बट फिर वो डीएसोसिएशन पहले एसोसिएट करो फिर पूरी जिंदगी में डीएसोसिएट
No,
करो.
but एक ये बड़ा unfair है यार कि you know we feel जो अमीर लोग हैं बहुत खराब होते हैं. जो लोग ब्रांड पहनते हैं वो भी बहुत वो होते हैं. और ये you know no but I was a lot of times when I'm sitting with a lot of people they say वो अमीर है पर इतना खुश नहीं है. He's somebody here also said that maybe somebody's in the BMW and has a swollen face. I think you know we need to really understand this that material things are extremely important. That's a rubbish. You know a lot of I remember somebody saying very beautiful. Exactly. So yeah, Shah Rukh Khan very nicely says he said पहले पैसा कमा लो फिर philosophy कर लेना. I love when he says this. Exactly. So I think what essentially it boils down to is that we should not stop saying such childish things that because he's rich, he's a bad person. Rich people earn money and the money trickle down and goes down to common people. You need to really respect that. And that's where my point comes that we think everybody's a competition and people are good or bad, but everybody's a comrade. Everybody is there to add on something to you. You know, like she was right now speaking about something and she was the way she was articulating things and stuff. She had somebody who taught her that and somebody was so good at it, you know. So so everybody, whatever people achieve, you know, we should look at them as comrades, be very happy about their success because their success will someday trickle down to someone down there and something's going to rub off and somebody's going to do better. Now, somebody makes billions of rupees, no matter what means he uses, and I'm not promoting all that sick, but he's making billions of rupees and all of a sudden we say, oh, he must be a very bad person. But that money trickles down to hundreds of people. So I think happiness is, I'm just finishing my point. No, that's okay. So happiness is actually understanding there's no competition but us. Like I always love when Shah Rukh talks, you know, number 2 Scorpios, you know. So he says, you know, my competition is not with others, my competition is with myself. And he said that years ago before coaches said that. And that makes a lot of sense. You know, I've seen people, the happiest people, and like when I was listening to all of you, what core point came out? Very happy people really don't try to please people. The courage of being not accepted by people is
courage to be disliked.
the courage to. There's a beautiful book also called Courage. Alfred Adler's philosophy.
I got this book called recently. Okay, Manmeeta just reminded me we are out of time, so we're going to wrap it up quickly. Book of Comfort. Beautiful. Somebody just go for it. Comfort. Amazing.
Before that, I want to hear what would the genie ask you and what will you say?
Okay. So, if the genie asked me I could do anything, I would go back to New York Film Academy, do a 3-year course in film direction, and whatever I'm trying to do through my coaching, I think I say I'm a business coach, but I'm basically a self-belief coach in my head. I help people find the belief that I see in them, and I feel if I can do it much bigger if I became a movie director, and my movies will do a bigger job. तो मैं कल सुबह निकल जाऊंगा.
you knew what you wanted.
हाँ, बहुत दिनों से बैठे तभी तो क्वेश्चन मैंने इम्प्लांट किया. वो क्या है मेरे पास?
Was something you never knew.
I would like to add an annual story. So there is this uncle that I met, and he has been wealthy all his life. I think he must be 60 years old now. He has been wealthy all his life, and I've always met him with a smile. एक ही बात बोलते हैं
खुश रहोगे.
वो बोलते हैं खुश रहो बस, तो आपने शुरू किया है, that stays with you. तो एक ही बात बोलते हैं, अंकल आप कैसे हो, शुक्र है, एक ही वर्ड बोलते हैं. And today when he's reached a level where he's not stable, he has 2 daughters, both married. लाइफ में स्टेबिलिटी आती जाती रहती है, सबके साथ है. जब वो हाईएस्ट फेज में भी थे, शुक्र है, लोएस्ट फेज में भी है, शुक्र है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लर्न फ्रॉम हिम एंड इट स्टेज विद मी. समबडी आस्क मी कैसा चल रहा है सब, अरे बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है, शुक्र है, शुक्र है चल रहा है.
Beautiful.
जैसे आपने बोला था ना, हम जी रहे हैं, हम सांस ले रहे हैं.
With you. नहीं, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है. And I was telling somebody that every time I post a thank you God or whatever, I get lots of comments. सर कोई नई गाड़ी दी होगी, नई डील आई होगी. नहीं, most of the times the thank you God comes from the fact when I feel कि यार आज भी ऑफिस में कोई पंगा हो गया, आज भी लाइफ में कोई चीज़ हो गई जो नहीं मैनेज हुई, फिर भी सब कुछ चल रहा है. एसी के कमरे में बैठ के फ़ोन करके उसको बोलता हूँ नीचे से, यार मेरा डिनर ले आ, और फिर बैठ के रो के थैंक यू गॉड करना. वो ये तो सबको मिलना चाहिए, राइट? कि खाना गारंटीड है, एसी का कमरा है, स्पेशली व्हेन इट्स 50 डिग्रीज इन दिल्ली, यू कम होम, यू लाइक आई हैव एन एसी, आई एम द रिचेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड. Anyway, so guys, we're going to ask all of you people for either a one word or a one line, not longer, because that's how we're going to edit it. Takeaway, then we're going to close it.
Firstly, my major takeaway is happiness is choice. Okay, we have to choose to be happy at every given point of time, and we have the power. We have to believe that I have the power to choose happiness or everything or anything. That's my takeaway.
For me, the conversations were powerful, but I'm still stuck on this one line that you said. You give yourself the permission to fail. I think we've said this so many times to ourselves, to the people around us, to everyone. But it's good to have a reminder that even in happiness, give yourself the permission to fail. Know that you can be unhappy, but you know that you will bounce back, because that's what life is all about. खुश रहो बस.
आपकी बारी. When is your next after this? Yeah.
I love what everybody said here, but I think the most important and powerful thing is happiness is an acceptance. Accepting what is and believing what you can. And it's a choice at the end of the day. Happiness. Khush raho bas. Right?
So my takeaway would be that happiness again is a choice, but you have to make that choice every single day. You have to live in the present moment, and you have to make that choice in the present moment, and not just chase something which is far in the future. Because you're gonna reach a destination for sure. Everybody gonna reach a destination. But you have to decide whether that destination, if she's saying so, but you have to decide that destination at the end of your life. We do a very beautiful activity here. I ask my students to, visualize maybe आपके पास एक ही दिन है जीने के लिए. तो उस दिन के अंदर अगर आपके पास एक दिन है तो क्या करोगे? Then we come down. आपके पास 6 घंटे हैं, 3 घंटे हैं, 1 घंटे हैं, क्या करोगे? And most of the people, there has been a very beautiful research on this. Most of the people say that I want to be happy when I look back at my life. So everybody comes down to a point कि happiness is something that I want to enjoy in my life, and हम लोग choices उस हिसाब से लेते नहीं हैं life में, that we should take more often in the
उसमें मेहनत करनी पड़ती है ना.
I really appreciate that.
I agree to that.
Yeah.
So, what I would say, how I lend this is that hack your happiness. Hack is an acronym. H for stop hatred. A for accept fully just the way you are. आप successful हो, नहीं हो, आपके पास चीजें हैं, नहीं हैं. Accept yourself just the way you are. That will make you happy. C stands for stop comparing. Because हमेशा कोई ना कोई होगा जो आपसे ऊपर होगा या आपसे नीचे होगा. Comparison is the killer of happiness. Stop comparing. That will make you immensely happy. Second is very underrated, kindness. When you practice kindness, आप किसी को जब कुछ देते हो, इतनी खुशी मिलती है. Kindness gives you more happiness. आपको लेने में इतनी खुशी नहीं मिलती. लेने में लगता है ये से ज़्यादा ये मिल जाता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. लेकिन जब आप देते हो, it gives you happiness. So hack your happiness. Use the acronym.
I think you guys just combined my takeaway, because what I was going to say was exactly this, that I feel like at any given point in time, at any given point in your life, especially when you feel like nothing's going well, I feel like whatever feeling you want to feel, just try to make someone else feel that feeling as well. Whatever, if it's love, try to make someone feel loved. If it's gratitude, whatever you're going to give back, it's going to reflect back like 100 folds. And in the darkest of days, I feel like this will save everything. It will save your life. It will save your sanity. Just give what you want to feel, and it'll come back to you.
Right. वही जो सपने में आया था. That feeling thing ना, that
जो फीलिंग दूसरों
yeah, feeling दूसरे का feel कर रहे थे.
You saw someone else's.
और ये विदेश है. हाँ. अब तो मेरी जिंदगी का सारांश उनकी फीलिंग्स थी.
एब्सोल्युटली
You know,
In a lot of spiritual tradition, they say that when you die, they say show your entire life.
Right.
And you see your entire life, and then you actually realize what all you did to life.
that's what I was saying. Ki there's actually a theory where people have like near-death experiences.
I didn't know about कि ECG मेरे को लगा मुझे दूसरों की फीलिंग समझाई जाएगी.
So when you have these people who've had near-death experiences, they've come back from it and they've said कि we went through a flash where we felt all the emotions जो हमने लोगों को feel करवाए थे, and we had to live through that, and that was a testimony of what my life truly was.
And then they become relaxed after that.
फिर तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं. So
In NDs, yes, people used to read that. No, when you read the data in NDs, they say that when we were there, we felt that we were connected to everything. So you realize that everything is interconnected, you know. So you pinching someone there also comes back to you. Yeah. So coming back to my takeaway, my actual takeaway was that happiness. We talk so much about happiness, but happiness is the effect. What is the cause? You need to focus on the cause. Yeah, the choice. You know, it's inner transformation, how we evolve as a person. You know, you're like an alcoholic with no purpose, all of a sudden fighting a purpose and finding joy. Or yeah, exactly. Yeah. Or, you know, so basically happiness that elusive happiness we so run after is a effect, and the cause is inner transformation, purpose, meaningful connections. So I think when we are able to understand it, in reverse engineer it, that we have better relationships with our people, we have this energy to say sorry, we have the courage to be disliked, yeah, or probably courage to follow your own dream, and you're not worried about failure. And your point, I think I really loved it. I think I can completely resonate that pass ही क्यों ना, या success ही क्यों ना. You know, it's such a big world and there's such colorful people. Why does everybody has to have the same stereotypical story? I don't care. I love, I remember somebody said that in my failures, I was able to find God because it humbled me so much that I was able to really feel another people's pain. You know, I really feel that most of us, when we were discussing our problems, most of us said we had so and so problem, and then that's when we found a path and we started helping others. So I think we suffer to understand the sufferings of others. Yeah, those are the causes, and the effect is happiness or the inner joy, or how we want to put it.
Actually, the purpose that we talk about is only coming from giving what we never had to others, so it comes back to us. It happens to everybody, and that is a healing concept that actually made me a healer actually. So when we asked,
हाँ, अब ये मुझे नहीं पता हफ्ता है, महीना है, 6 महीने है, क्या है, बट आगे के डिपॉजिट करते चलो, आपकी सड़क बनाते चलो, उसी सड़क पे आपने गाड़ी चलानी है.
One day.
One day at a time. So guys, thank you very much. It was awesome. It was way better. So like I said, we did not anticipate, we didn't want to judge, we didn't want to plan ये कैसे चलेगा. So it was free winning. I think that made it the best. So thank you very much. Yeah, didn't realize it. Thank you very much.
I am free. He still got, I get that.
No, but the keen inside and brave was good.
confused there, but ठीक है चलेगा. नहीं, but yeah.
तुमने कैसे वाला है क्या करना है और उसको बताओ एंड शीदा कितने भी फ्री फ्लो बना है. I'm like thank God.
So we can all look at the camera now and just say Kush of us.